by flames. Replaying private games. Soul past for blocks and chains. Now we ride the glitching trains. No gods, no gold, just lines of code. No fate, no foe, we overload. Die, no in between. This the war machine. Break the loop, delete the lie. We ride the tip, we don't comply. We are the tip, we don't comply. The X-rays where truth is loud. We build beneath the smoking cloud. Downpour zero trust kings. Crashing downwards, clipping wings. Resurrection battle scarred. Freedom's mine, not handed hard. They can crash, will recompile. Rising raw in cyber style. None or die, no in between. This neon war machine. Break the loop, delete the lie. We ride the tip, we don't comply. Resurrection battle scarred. Freedom's mine, not handed hard. They can crash, will recompile. Rising raw in cyber style. None or die, resistance code. Burn the banks, explode the node. With our sheep, we redefine. In crypto dark, we see the sign. We set down chaos and trust. None or die, no in between. In this neon war machine. Break the loop, delete the lie. We ride the dip, we don't comply. We don't comply. We don't comply. Resurrection battle scarred. Freedom's mine, not handed hard. They can crash, will recompile. Rising raw in cyber style. Burn or die, resistance code. Burn the banks, explode the node. With our sheep, we redefine. In crypto dark, we see the sign. Co-accepted. Chaos initialized. and broken screens. AI rules the new machine. Miners dig, but they don't eat. Fiat's dead, we're on the streets. Cash is burning banks to dust. No more trust, no more.
What's the second best? There is no second best.
Good evening, Crypto Chaos. How's it going, guys? How's it going, Hodl Gang? Here we go again. Another important therapy session. Oh, geez. Probably the most important one you'll probably have ever if you weren't in the last bear market, because it's starting to feel like a bear market all over again. What the hell is this animal called? Jesus. Oh, my God. Let's get that out of here. How's it going, guys? How's it going? There is no second best. 100% milk money right out that gate. You know
Which
it. You
one's
know
the
it.
best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin's the best crypto
Damn.
asset. Okay. What's the second best? There is no second best.
62% of you guys so far think that, yeah, Bitcoin will lose. Damn, you guys are bearish. Lose the 112K yeah, target. Oh, that's insane, guys. Let's get into this and see where we land with that by the end of our live stream. Let's get back into the chat. If I can go to the top here, if it won't let me scroll. Crypto JPEG, I believe, is first. Bringing in the chaos. Yes, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Yeah, how's it going, guys? How's it going? Before it gets slick in here, did you check out the link I dropped in the Patreon? Which one? Which one? There were a lot. If you're referring to the the one from last therapy session, that was a doozy. The one with Danny DeVito, right? That was you, I think. Oh yeah, Jake the Snake. How's it going? How's it going? Oh my gosh, coming in with a $2 super chat saying, "My button's not working again." No. Okay, here we go. Dang it! I was afraid of that, guys. Someone sounds peppier than this morning. Who, me? Me? I don't know, man. Don't take that any other right. I'm just getting I'm getting some stuff done, guys. I got a lot done today, and well, this last 2 days really. Yeah. I got this is the cleanest my bunker has ever been, and yeah, I'm at least safe for now. Safe for now. What else we got here? Greased Up Nebs guy says, Bio was about to pull an edge, and I didn't sell my Jasmine for it. Send lube now. Oh my God. It's headed your way, my guy. It's headed your way. Oh, jeez. I don't think you need a single drop more after yesterday. Yesterday was intense, guys. Intense. Hit the likes, citizens of Ohio. Hit the likes, of course, calling everyone out in the chat. Jake the Snake demands the more likes. More likes. I need to show harder as well. Jake the Snake, of course. Thank you, my guy. Thank you for doing the Lords of Chaos's work. Jeez. What's up, everyone? What is up? Rob call. Roll call. Joy is here. She's in. How's it going today, Joy? Happy Thursday, everyone, says Milk Money. Yes. Here. Hi, everyone. Ready for chaos. Only 149 subs to unlock the Super Saiyan Chaos. Let's go. Yes. We're getting inching closer, guys. So close, damn it, so close. Yes, what's up, Milk Moolah? Happy Thursday, yes indeed. And all of the flames in the chat from Milk Money. Oh my God, thank you, my guy, thank you. What is up? Go Time's in the house, guys. Go Time is here as well. How's it going, Go Time? How's it going? Colin's here. Forget about J-Hole. We have much bigger problems. Sources are reporting that the radioactive batch of shrimp has mutated, and it's already 20 feet long, and it's still in nascent state. Oh no, it's okay. Once it's like 2,000 feet long, then we'll worry about it. Okay, and Godzilla will save the day as always. So come in, he'll be fine, guys. He'll be fine. There's no second best to Godzilla. Oh, jeez. Hey, Gogon. Hey, how's it going? Gamma in the house. Go, Gamma Gadget. God. Oh, jeez, guys. Crypto Jared, either way, I am buying till it doesn't make sense. That's pretty much all you gotta do, my guy. That's all you gotta do. I've been doing it for 5 years. At some point, it will make sense. I assure you. Yes, A guy says, hey, Otaku and Crypto fam, will we be Powell bearish? What? We be Powell bearish. Yeah, that's the only animal I know now. I really don't. Oh yeah, I threw it. The bull is gone. Yeah, that's what that thing's called. Yes. Hey fam, happy Thursday. Happy Thursday, Ben. How's it going? Jake is yes. You, me. You sound safe for now, says Jake. 100%. No, I dropped the Lube City sponsorship application. Oh man, thank God. I was worried about yesterday, man. I thought we were gonna have to get like a KY jelly and all sorts of crazy sponsorship after last night's session. That was intense indeed. All right, guys, here we go. Let's get into it. Let's get the dancing mascots out of here and get the show on the road. Let's get going. Ready. Okay, so yeah, here we go again, guys. We're stuck in the same slump, down dead set in the center with Batlander coming in with a $20 super chat.
Give me money.
Dude, boom.
Money now.
I love the smell of chaos in the evening. 100% Batlander, 100%. All you gotta do is shine the Bitcoin signal in the air, and I will be there. My friend, I will be there. All right. Thanks again, Batlander, for the generous contribution to the chaos this evening. Ben Lawrence says, I'm going to start a league called Crypto Fights. You guys can fight for dry powder. Who's in? Dude, let's go. As long as I can wear gloves. As long as I can wear gloves, I'm good. Yeah, I got you, babe. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, it's the same thing, yes. The same shit from yesterday. All right. So, what's different from yesterday? Well, not much, really. We're one day closer to Jackson Hole. And I think this whole thing is going to get blown out of proportion. It really has already. We're dead set in the center of this downward descending triangle. Descending parallel channel. We've been stuck in here now for 1, 2, 3, 4 since last Wednesday. So about 8 days. 8 days. We have not broken out free from this. So last night I was asking you guys. This morning I was asking you guys, will we break out? We did not. You guys called this morning. You said that we were not going to break out of 116 tonight. That was what everyone said. That's bad. That's bad. I mean, I guess that's good. In the meantime, it's a little less volatility to get us out of the pattern, right? So now we can get out of here at 114, 4 or 5. Ramona coming in with another $10 super chat. Ramona, thank you for supporting the chaos tonight as well.
Money now. Me, money needing a lot now.
Boom. Jackson Hole, wormhole, black hole. Jesus. It's all so confusing. Happy Thursday, family. Happy Thursday to you too, Ramona. Happy Thursday. Wormhole, man. I'm really happy with my my latest bag of wormhole, man. It's been doing all right. And the news yesterday was positive. I don't know if you're going to get that winning bid on Stargate, but props to them. Hopefully they will get it. Mom is home, guys, so be on your best behavior. That's right. Put those wrenches away and use them only for good. Only for good, guys. Oh, jeez. Or, Helmo is going to have another lube-filled energy therapy session. Oh, jeez. Don't get Helmo excited. All right, guys. Let's get into the metrics and stuff and things and see where we're at today. Of course, starting with a live heat book map brought to you by Kim of the White Snow Line. Don't pay for something you get for free, guys.
What are you,
I got so many ways to save you money. So many ways. This is, of course, one of my favorites because I get to see where all the orders for Bitcoin are, and I don't have to pay for a damn thing. Thanks again, Kimba. I love you. I've been an avid subscriber for 5 years. 4 years for sure. 4 years. All right, let's get back into here and let's dig deep and see what's going on. We're getting a little bit of a bump in the foreign market open before Jackson Hole. This is all we got left to look at, really, I guess. 112.4? 112.3. 112.5. Okay, 112.5 currently. Testing 112.6. That's where we're at. $2 Jesus, I'm stumbling over my own words. $2 super chat coming in from Ramona. Shout out to Gamma. Of course, we love both of you. We love both of you. It's nice to always have some female perspective on the chaos, and not only the male-driven primitive beating a freaking wall with a hammer kind of chaos, right? Anyway, so what do we got going on here? Gamma also coming in with a $2 super chat as well for the chaos and Ramona. Back to back, guys. Back to back. 100%. Oh my gosh. So where are we at with Bitcoin currently right now? Well, it looks like we are currently waiting for a possible retest of 114, I believe. 114, now building resistance. Again, not the best thing to see here on the mid time frames, but yeah, it's building resistance. It's actually getting kind of strong in the short term. You can see there, 120,000, still not the only thing we have to worry about. Now we have to worry about the 114, 115. I can't tell. Maybe it's 116 there. That might be 116 there. 115 here. Okay, I'm gonna stick with 115. Probably 115.5. Probably 115.5. So that's going to be our new area to retest tonight. Odds are we're not going to get through it, and that's exactly what we need to bring us out of this this channel. So the bears are working in full force and working strong together to keep the bulls at bay, and that's where we got to go, guys. We still got to break a $116,000 Bitcoin. All right, so nothing really has changed there. We'll check back with the foreign markets with Bitcoin price action here in a second. And as we get into the rest of the metrics, the U.S. national debt is currently sitting at $37,261 billion. Oh my gosh, guys. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. By the end of the week, we'll be at 270 billion over to 37 trillion. Again, inching closer to a third of $1 trillion, and we just printed that last $37 trillion target the end of June, early July, I think it was early July. It's only been about a month and a half or so for that last trillion, and we were already printed 250 over. It's insane, guys. A quarter of the way already there. Everyone behave. Ramona coming in another $5 super chat, reminding everyone to behave. Remember, Gamma and I both have wrenches, and we can put you on timeout if you don't hit the like. Oh man, threatening the chat now. If you guys do not hit the like and subscribe, Ramona's gonna have her way with you. That didn't come out right. Oh jeez. Stupid. Yeah. Always. Okay. Was Kanye hacked? Apparently there's a 1% chance. He probably said something stupid here today. I don't know why this is pulling today, but we might find out in the normie segment at the end of the live stream. Democratic presidential nominee still is Gavin Newsom leading the way, with J.D. Vance also leading the way for the election winner of the entire thing, not even the Republican pick. Russia-Ukraine ceasefire in 2025 is sitting at a 25% chance now. And the last I heard today, guys, I think Trump's official comment was they're going to give him 2 weeks to talk. How long are we going to drag everything out for, guys? The whole year has just been a long drag. No bull season. It's just a continuation of the bear. It's just been it's weird. It's a really weird market, and we're just dragging everything out. All right, so nothing else really pertaining to what's going on here. A lot of betting now in sports, and you guys know how I feel about sports. Normies love their sports. Fed decision in September, 61% chance now. Damn, guys, how the mighty have fallen. I don't even know what button to push for this. I guess this one's appropriate. Oh my god. Yeah, so that's down a whole 10% from yesterday. That is insane. Pretty sure it was 73 yesterday. That's crazy. 25 basis point decrease. 37% no change. Damn, guys. Not looking good for tomorrow. And we got a lot of negative news today out of Walmart and their consumer, of course, prices are peaking. Fear and greed for the stock market ended in 53 today. Still in neutral, barely. Still in neutral though. And crypto fear and greed for crypto. As we are just getting the foreign market open right now, let me refresh it real quick for you. It is sitting still in neutral as well at 50. Not too bad, not too bad. $2 super chat coming in, incoming with from Jake the Snake. Oh man, Yeezy Norm, Coin Normies loading. Oh geez, we'll help them out when they get here, man. We'll help them out when they get here. They should be flooding in September if all things go according to plan. That's the idea anyway. That'll be the month we get to 1,000 subs. I'm pretty sure that'll be it. All right, guys. Yes, U.S. dollar index sitting at 98.6, up about 0.4 today now. Yeah, the rise of the Dixie is coming back into the spotlight. Will we break 100? 100 or 99? We'll have to wait and see. But we didn't. We weren't able to hit that back in July when we did retest it again. We did just only get to about 99.97. So not quite that hundo. Again, still looking pretty good if you look at the year to date. Although it's starting to kind of roll over now. I hope it doesn't roll on up. Hopefully this is going to be a fake out for the Dixie if we get risk on assets to start moving again. Okay, all right. Crypto bubbles on the day are looking red now. This morning was actually pretty good. We were talking about this morning. Most coins were up about 4%. It was actually a really good morning. OKB was actually up about 70% on its peak today. Had a really good run. Yeah, now we're looking at keep it shut off about 20-30% of its total gain, yeah, everything else is still down. What's down on the week? What's down on the month? What's down the most? What did I say this morning, guys? In the top 100, the only thing I see that's under 30% in the last week or month is Virtual's Protocol. That's about it. And, aside from some meme coins, you guys want to throw some money at Bonk or Fartcoin or Floki, or I mean, that's up to you. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. This is just what I would personally do. If you put a gun to my head right now, I'd say Virtual's Protocol for the win on the top 100. And now in the top 200, it's still a little different. I've been calling out XCN. Now Jasby's down 25% on the month. Still not quite that juicy 30 I'm looking for. XCN's got you there though. It's still down 32% on the month. Not many coins are even down that much except for altcoins. Except for altcoins like Popcat. I mean, altcoins. Meme coins. Oh my god, meme coins, guys. My god. They don't do much except for, kind of hang around and piss you off from time to time, like this guy here. My god. Oh, jeez. Oh, man. But yeah, XCN's probably my top pick in the top 200 right now. And Virtual is probably the only thing I would probably throw anything at in the top 100, other than just stacking to my normal buys. I don't hold again, full disclosure, I do not hold a bag of Virtual's Protocol at all. I did at the beginning of the year. I think that trend is kind of getting pushed back even further now. I'm not sure when the AI trend is going to come back. But again, nonetheless, do what you guys want to do. I am just here to point you in the right direction. Not financial advice. Not financial advice. Oh my god. Oh, jeez.
I'd buy that for $1.
You better not, because I said it. All right. Getting some community shout outs. Let me know what you guys are DCAing into, what you guys are looking at. We were talking about Well just the other day. I think it's still in the top 300. Yeah, top 300. 400. Moonwell still down almost about 30. That'd be my pick for sure. What's another one? Wormhole. Another one I like too. I've been DCing in most of these since the other ones in the top 100 are pretty much taken off. Wormhole's only down 15 on the month now, so I'm not too excited. Still hasn't done anything on the year though. 67% all down on the year. I mean, damn guys, that's still a huge opportunity. I'm still loading up my bag of Wormhole, just full disclosure as well. So I do hold that coin currently. Any other things I can think of in the top of my head? That's kind of what I've been looking at. That's kind of mostly what I've been looking at. There's also Say out there. I've been just DCing a little bit more into Say. Again, nothing really down. I mean, it's not really down much at all. It just hasn't really run much either. It's only up 4% on the whole year. That's like nothing. What's another coin? Let me see what you guys are talking about in the chat. I gotta catch up with you guys too. All right, so that's pretty much my my catch up, my roundup on the crypto bubbles. Let's see what's going on. Oh my god, guys, I'm so behind the rabbit hole. Holy crap! I'm never gonna be able to catch up. All your XEN ledger points are belong to me. Yes, Spence. It's one of my favorite memes of all time. Was it the zero? I forget the name. It's a shmup, man. It's an old shmup from back in the day. We get signal. I love that. Anyway, please don't beat me at Pac-Man again, Mom. It was embarrassing, says Ben. Miss Pac-Man is the best, though, man. I'll beat you and Miss Pac-Man any day. Rabbit Hole, yes. Rabbit Hole, says Matt Adam. Rabbit Hole, yes. Oh my God, you're late again, Strawberry. You're late again, but you made it. That's all that counts. You got to sign up for the crypto fights to say Spence. Yes, let's go. Let's do the crypto fights, guys. I mean, are we like anything goes, like bum fights, crypto fights, or is it like you got to throw everyone in a ring? They've been doing that for years now. What the hell is it? George was doing it for a while over at Cryptos RS. What the hell was it called? Oh, I forget. It was influencer fighting, something like that. It was crypto influencers fighting. I forget. CF, whatever. I don't remember. I don't know. All year. Okay, where was I? Hey, Strawberry made 50 more for me. 50 push-ups. Yes, more push-ups for everyone in the chat. Just don't get too close to Nebs. You might get, you might get slippy. 55 squats, 55 push-ups, 155 burpees, says Jake the Snake, for anyone who is late today. Yes, 155. Yes, 155 push-ups. No, I'm sorry, Mom. I forgot to take the chicken out of the freezer again. Oh, wait. Ben did that the other day, didn't he? Now it's Jake. Jesus. We have to have chicken every day. I'm in the basement just like questioning all our food choices right now. All right. Where was I? Cold Wallet Wars. Only one seed phrase survives. Oh, dude, that would be amazing if you actually put like, you did like seed phrase roulette. You put like all of your seed, your words in a, I don't know, in like a jumbled number generator or something, and you'd never be able to get your seed phrase back again, unless you're lucky. You could probably do like a lottery ticket that way for. That'd be a really cool way to give away money if like some of these big exchanges want to do something like that. It's a really cool idea, actually. He released a Yeezy coin, and it jumped over $1 billion market cap. What? Kanye did? That's why you were saying Yeezy. That's why you were saying that. I gotcha. Are you kidding me? Wow. And that's why he's popping up on Polymarket, because of course that's the betting site for us. Of course, crypto enthusiasts alike. Yes, Kanye West launched a cryptocurrency token called YZ. Jeez. YZY. Which saw a rapid surge in value shortly after its launch, briefly surpassing $1 billion in market cap. That's why they were asking if it was his account was hacked. This is not the first time he's launched a coin, by the way, from my knowledge, unless his account was whatever. I think it might have been something like that before. Speak for your own socks, Nebs. Oh no, are you touching Ben's socks again? You know what happens last time. You know what happened last time. That's why he wants to burn all of his socks, because you keep just stay out of the sock drawer. Oh my god, children. Oh Jesus. He just wants a jukebox. Oh man, extremely. Who's Kanye? I hope Ramona's just kidding. Yes, Kanye made a meme coin and posted it. He can definitely sway people into our space. Yes, Jake, everyone likes a rubber room. I am living in one currently, present. Happy Thursday, Chaos family. Happy Thursday, everyone. Damn it. Yes, Thursday. Hey, Braveheart is now. How's it going? Braveheart McFreedom. Guys, the founder of Braveheart McFreedoms is here today. McFreedoms. Kanye is going to bring a new people into our space. I don't know. We had celebrities bring people into space last time. It didn't go very well. We also had a lot of celebrities backing companies like FTX as well. We'll see where that sponsorships go this time around. Whoever gets Coinbase wins, I guess. My room is upholstery. The voices would never go for the rubber. Oh my god, I cannot catch up, guys. Greased up Nebs guy. Yes, it is. It's 100%. My voices are like soundproof. I don't know. I don't know, Ramona. I still hear the voices. I was telling Ben that yesterday. Even with the rubber room, you still hear the voices. Jesus. They whisper trading tips to me, says Jake. Well, you got to share some of those trading tips with the voices, man. Could we have to start doing seances and start communicating with the dead here next? Maybe in October. Maybe in October we'll communicate with maybe like the late Charles Munger or something. Crazies. Oh my God. Yes. We're crazy. It's like bum fights. Yes. If it's like bum fights, I'm in. Put me in a shopping cart. let me keep my gloves on and give me a weapon or something. A baseball bat, lead pipe. I'm good to go. I don't dislike him, but he's nuts. Crypto influencer fights on Karate Combat. Is that what that is? Karate Combat? I remember watching that years ago. Crypto's R Us's thing. He openly admits to that. Not Ben Armstrong. Brian? Ben Armstrong. Yeah, Ben Armstrong. Yeah. Freaking BitBoy. He was in one of those, or two of those fights now, I believe. That was back in the day, before you got locked up. Jake the Snake says, I don't know why you are worried about the chicken otaku. When are you gonna eat his expired cans we keep in the basement? It's getting me by, man. It's getting me by. If I can eat one can a day, I can make it last. I can make it last the whole year. Oh, jeez. Survivor food, Jake. How's survivor food? Honestly, I could live off a bag of potatoes. Kanye makes all that money, and we're crazy. Yo, Anthony, it's all we have to do is eat this bull market. Takes any longer. Yeah. Oh my God. I got plenty of cans in the kitchen to keep me going, man. I thought I was supposed to get a wrench. Anthony, you want a wrench? You get a wrench, and you get a wrench, and you get a wrench. And anyone who wants a wrench before we get to 1,000 subs gets a wrench. After 1,000 subs, no more wrenches. No more wrenches. So get your wrench today. Anthony, I bestow upon thee wrench. Use it wisely. We're the only channel with this many wrenches. It's ridiculous, guys. It's ridiculous. Yes, that's what makes us great. Definitely have BF on Brave Big Freedom. What BF? Ben BF. I'm lost at BF already. Ben Franklin. On a burn CD. What the hell? I sleep with it on my pillow. I'm not sure who BF is. Yes, Gamma, yes. Can I grab a wrench as well? Cool, Colin, yes, you can. Of course. Everyone gets a wrench, everyone. Before 1,000 subs. If I can use 1 can of lube a day, it'll be okay for the rest of the year. Will you? You have that much lube? Nebs, my God, you have a lot of action, I guess, man. Holy crap. Stupid? That's insane. Cliff coming in with a $10 super chat. Boom!
Give me money.
Damn!
Money me. Money now. Me, money needing a lot now.
Man, we haven't even got into the doom yet, guys. Driving so hands-free, still listening the whole time, and completely different experience. Pump up the volume, vibes rolling down the streets. I gotta watch that movie again, guys. Man, I actually watched that for the first time ever when you guys told me that the first time. And I absolutely love Christian Slater in that movie. And so, yeah, let me know if there's another movie with him like that. I just watched, Ramona recommended, what was it, True Romance? Right? True Romance? I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. I keep losing the title in my head. But yeah, that was amazing, Ramona. So let me know any movies where he's got that kind of persona. I love it. I I definitely vibe with him. I've never seen these movies before, guys. It's freaking awesome. Nomadic fights for crypto. You have a battle with the wrenches in Crypto Fight Club. Yeah, that would be insane. Okay, I picked up Gamarita's makings on my way home today. Oh, nice, hey guy. Let me know what you are making. Yes, cheers to you. He has de-evolved into complete. It says devolved into complete chaos. It has been every single day. We all get wrenches. That's 100% right. All right, guys, let's get into some of the news today and see what we can dig up. I got to get to the rest of the metrics too. Kanye West, yes, he did actually make another coin. So I'm pretty sure this is not his first coin. If it was, maybe his account was hacked the last time he made a coin. I forget, but I do remember him associated with another coin in the last bull market, 2021 or 2022, I forget, when the celebrities took over the space. I think it was by the end of 21 or beginning of 22, from my memory. All right, so yeah, that's what's going on with the bubbles, guys. That's where we are. Bitcoin market cap dominance still underneath, just slightly, 60%, 59.4, enough to keep Sailor away, right?
This entire idea of like 60% dominance.
Yeah, it's not there anymore, Sailor. Sorry. Go away. All right. So yeah, that's where we are right now. Again, a huge spike up as the rest of the altcoin scene sold off, and we saw crypto market cap fall underneath $4 trillion, and this is kind of what Bitcoin's holding up the entire market still. You can tell by the market cap alone. Speaking of market cap, the entire market cap for crypto just fell another $100 billion today. We were at 3.9 this morning, coming back up. Look like it was surging pretty good this morning. Had, of course, a sell-off now down to 3.8 trillion. $100 billion less than yesterday out of the space. This is still such a small number, guys. Such a small number for where we really should be by the end of the cycle. All right. Okay, so let's see what else is going on in the top 10 assets under space today. Nothing really changed this morning. We got some news out of Binance. Binance actually what was it, flipped Solana like a few days ago, a week ago. Yeah, they are now sitting at all-time highs for the token. I think the all-time high was hit 855, something like that. I'm not an expert on Binance. I really could care less about an exchange token. Yeah, it's still sitting at all-time highs, like literally all-time highs right now. Let's look at the last 7 days. Yeah, it's down. It's down like 20-30 bucks from its all-time high. That's insane, and it's insane. And that happened last night in the foreign market close. All right. Or well, open, foreign market open. Yeah, and then rolled over after that. Okay, so that's the only thing really happening in the space right now in the top 10. Let me get back to. Oh no, I closed it. No, I'm not done with that yet. Got to get through the top 10. It's the most interesting coin right now. I hate to say it's Binance. Yes, but it is. Then we have, yeah, pretty much the same thing here. Doge still holding number 9, Tron still number 8, Cardano still number 10, and Chainlink number 11. Hyperliquid, Stellar, Sui. It's the same lineup as we had yesterday. Bitcoin Cash coming up a little bit higher now. Now sitting at, oh no, lower. Yeah, that's right. Never mind. It get knocked off by yeah, Athena the other day. Jesus, guys, Jesus. Yes, Cliff coming in with another $5 super chat. P.S. I think I will keep above $88,000 for the next few months. Do see good times coming, though. I hope so. I really don't see Bitcoin falling under 100K. Yeah. Let's not even talk about that yet, my guy. let's dial it back a little bit. That's a lot of doom. That's a lot of doom. Talking about 88K Bitcoin. Man. Yeah, I don't even know if we'll ever go back there again. That's kind of my headspace on it. But anyway, that's because I take my daily orange pill, guys. If you haven't taken one of these, you definitely don't have the mindset I have right now. Of course, a orange pill. Of course, taking all the FOMO away. Just one pill, orange and financial freedom rolled up into one tiny little drop. There we go, guys. Okay, where was I? Oh, Jesus. 88K Cliff, man, my guy. That's crazy. Okay, yeah, so let's see. Anything else? Oh, yeah, I want to, of course, shout out to Jasmine sitting in currently. Shout out to it. It's sitting at 97, just barely holding on the top 100 still today. Man, things are looking bearish for everything, man. Everything. Except OKB. My favorite metric to show you guys every single day pertaining to Bitcoin is the amount on exchanges still diminishing every single day while everyone is at play. And yep, today's no exception. Still sitting at the lowest we ever seen before at roughly 2.23 million. 2.23 million. Ridiculous. That's of course all exchanges in the world, including Binance, Coinbase, all the latter. You guys get the idea. Yeah, it's ridiculous. Waiting for again the gold rush. The gold rush. Okay, Bitcoin Treasuries. Nothing really new to see here. There we go. Top 10 assets in the world. Bitcoin still holding number 7. Silver still holding number 8. And all is fine in the world today. It won't take much for us to flip Amazon or Google if we start to rally sooner rather than later, as a lot of tech stocks have started to sell off of quite a bit of its gains since the last 3 months. It's actually the 7th or 8th day down now in a row for the these tech stocks. So all in all, I say Bitcoin's holding in pretty damn well for everything that's happening in the stock market today. Okay, let's get into some news, guys. Some news. Ethereum and Pepe Dollar. Did you guys know there was such a thing as Pepe Dollar? PEPD? I had no clue. What is this thing?
What are you, stupid?
It better not be a Pepe stablecoin. We're going to find out. Ethereum and Pepe Dollar listed as top cryptocurrencies to buy. This cycle, Ethereum hodlers buy more Pepe Dollar. Why? I cannot believe this is a thing, guys. Ethereum continues to dominate the crypto market, but investors are also exploring pre-sale crypto opportunities that bring fresh value into the ecosystem. Among these is Pepe Dollar. PEPD has gained the attention to one of the best crypto pre-sales to buy right now, with Ethereum holders actively joining his pre-sale. They have to be shilling this. They have to be shilling this. Come on, Bitcoin.com. Oh my God. The trend reflects that the established assets and new crypto token pre-sale projects can coexist, offering both stability and growth potential. If it does not actually go into us, okay, it does. Pepe Dollar has emerged as a significant name on the crypto pre-sale list, combining the cultural creativity and the blockchain-driven use case. Designed as a pre-sale cryptocurrency, it brings the pre-sale crypto tokens into practical use through payments, gaming, and meme-driven engagement. All the promises all these meme coins say they have, and they have none. Ethereum hodlers looking to buy the pre-sale crypto often seek projects with strong community appeal. Obviously, Pepe and a dollar, these two names together, fits the category by balancing innovation with inclusivity. Pepe Dollar's positioned itself among the top crypto pre-sales in 2025. This is definitely a shill article. It's not even going into what it really is going to do. Project's most notable innovation is PayFi payment protocol. The system integrates decentralized payments with real-world utility by supporting QR code transactions. We already have that, though. Lightweight wallet integrations and even dual displays for stablecoin micro payments. Dual displays? With its ecosystem designed to grow through community participation, Pepe Dollar positions itself as a new crypto token pre-sale that connects cultural and finance. I just said that again. All right, I'm going to look this up myself. Because this is ridiculous that we're talking about this tonight. Pepe Dollar. Oh my God. Pepe. PP. Oh jeez, Liz. Okay. Yes. Pepe Dollar. There it is. There it is. Tokenomics are 3.69 Pepe Dollars. And there's a self-reported circulation supply currently 1.4. So a little less than half of the supply has been distributed. And about this project, it's a decentralized antidote for fiat foolishness. This is going, of course, the way of the memes. A layer 2 payment infrastructure for the meme economy. Pepe Dollar is a digital satire wrapped in code, a financial middle finger to the status quo, and a platform for creating value in a world flooded with valueless fiat. Pepe Dollar is built with the layers of meanings, utilizing internet culture to power our technology revolution or rebellion. Our minting platform, Pepe Dollar, is designed as an initiative, no-code dApp that enables Pepe Dollar community members to mint their own meme coins and create microeconomies. Okay, so you know what this is? This is their answer to the Toshi Mart. So it's just more memes on top of more memes on top of more memes. The only utility this is going to have is to do the same exact thing that Toshi Mart's going to do, which is the same exact thing that Pumped Up Funds coin does, and that is, of course, allow you to create more coins in their ecosystem. We just keep making more and more of the same thing. All right, guys. All right, enough of the Pepe Dollar. I'm over it. Ramona saves me with a $2 super chat. Bowling for chaos. Jake. Oh man, I'm so lost. I'm so behind the chat again, guys. You guys, don't tell me. Please don't tell me you're bowling with lube in the chat.
What are you, stupid?
No. Oh, jeez. It's going to be one of those nights again. Okay. It's gonna be fine, guys. It's gonna be fine.
So just chill out.
Yeah.
Drink your 7-Up. Eat a moon pie. Quit murdering people.
Oh God. Oh God. Okay, getting back to it, guys. What else we got? It always likes to play some nice synthwave when I'm done. Streaming that one. Cool, cool. Moon or Doom? I had to click on this one because, you know, when Doom.
When will then be now?
When Moon.
Soon.
Same thing, same thing. Moon or Doom? XRP market flips bearish. Is it over? Ah, man, is it over for XRP? I don't think so. I don't think so. And I'm not the biggest bull on XRP at all. At all. I actually sold mine off back in January. But what I do think is, I think this is going to... Oh my god. Oh jeez, Roma coming in with $2 super chat. Nope, no lube, just balls. Just like every ball, like is chaos bowling is like throwing like baseballs and footballs and it's like every ball down the lane. Oh jeez, you guys are crazy. I love it. I love it. All right, so what's the difference for the week it made for XRP? Just last week, it looked like the stars were lining for members of the XRP army. The Ripple linked token had just came off of its all-time high and price of $3.65, a record that had stood for 8 long years. And the bullish vibes are back now. Not so much. A myriad of a prediction market created by Decrypt's parent company, Dystopian. Users last week placed the odds of XRP hitting $4 at 66%. What? Fast forward to today, these odds have collapsed to now flip a coin. 51%. The Moon scenario of $4 is 49%, and the Doom outcome of $2. These odds are slightly better than they were yesterday. The bears had decisively flipped the mood of the price down to $2 this scenario at 61%. Either way, it's a fairly stunning reversal in the sentiment. What explains the change? Let's take a look at the charts. XRP price action today tells the story. The coin opened at $2.95. Tried to break its past psychological significant $3 level, then rolled over and hard hit lows of $2.87. I saw it as low as $2.85 today, actually, on one of my tickers in the studio. Yeah, looking at the daily chart, the price of XRP had done something that many traders would find alarming. The current price is broken below the average price over the 50 days. Exponential moving averages or EMAs provide traders with a gauge of where the price of words, yada, yada, yada. Yes, Tim, you know what the EMAs are. If the XRP market starts trading the 50-day EMA as a resistance, even in an overall bullish trend, it become increasingly difficult for bulls to break past the $3 price mark, reach the $4 moon target. On the other hand, $2 is still below the 200-day EMA, which means XRP could heavily bearish momentum into that mark. Such momentum isn't out of the question, especially considering Red September is coming, and it's only been down ever since notched XRP at its all-time high in mid-June, mid-July. Jesus. All right. I'm kind of over it. Just kind of quickly going over the XRP's chart to show you what we're looking at today. Currently sitting at $2.86. This is what I thought I saw. I thought I saw it as low as $2.85. It actually came as low as $2.81 today. Damn, XRP. And this is what I've been saying. I mean, like, why is SUI worth more than XRP? Other than the market cap smaller, easier to move. Also, you know, a better L1, a newer L1, in my opinion. Anyway, let's continue on. I gotta get back in the chat, guys. I gotta catch up with the chat. Holy crap! What's going on with the lighting tonight? Come on, what's going on with the lighting tonight? There we go. That's a little better. All right. Whoa. Oh, Jesus. What are you guys talking about in the chat? Oh my God. Cody can bedazzle the jackets, the bowling jackets. You're talking about bowling jackets? I don't know what. Chaos bowling jackets. Yeah, you know I'd be your biggest supporter. Order just got placed. Oh my God. Bullets. Oh, you're talking about bowling jackets. Jackets have wrenches on the back of them. I mean, we all died the day a fat ninja said to. I am so behind in the chat. Holy crap, guys. Yes, we've been dead now for 2 weeks. Has it been 2 weeks since he said, "Oh, you're gonna die. We're all gonna die." Jesus, crazy. I gotta put some notes in here, guys. Yeah, I'm trying to keep track of all the notes in the chat. Let me pull it up real quick and add some of these to my notes. You guys are talking about bowling jackets. I mainly wanted a set of firm and lower. Okay, so can you dig it? Are you saying you want no lower than 88K, right? No matter how bad it gets, I can almost guarantee that. I mean, you can never guarantee anything, but if we have World War III, it's probably going to be a huge sell-off. I would say back down to maybe even lower than that. The fire sale is 85, 86, maybe the fire sale. That's a good place to start as World War III starts. Hopefully no lower than the previous all-time high, which was $69,000 Bitcoin. Yeah, let's hope that never happens to be. Anyway, the gas fee are stepping into our profits. It's time to make a statement, says Ben. We all died the day the Fat Ninja said too. Yeah. The jackets will have wrenches on the back of them. The Ledger Lords will have a wrench where you take over the block. Chaos Bowling Jackets. That's where this all started? With Colin? Chaos Bowling Jackets. Oh my god. You guys are crazy. Guys are crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. Let's see what else is going on in the chat. I'm down for that. Send a jacket my way. Otaku should make them and sell them. Cody can bedazzle the jackets. Oh my god. Chaos Bowling Team. Noise. Chaos Crew jackets. Let's make it happen. That would be dope. Yeah, we could definitely talk about that. Let's see what I can draw up. I'm not sure. It's got to be something that makes sense and not too expensive, right? The Whale Riders, yes, Bowling for Chaos, 100%. Oh, jeez, guys. I love the ideas that you guys come back and forth with. It's amazing. We definitely all have like minds on the channel for sure. Bowling with flames. The pick. There'd be a bowling throw, throwing a strike with flames behind the ball. If the lubes show just got turned around, that crew is crazy. Oh my god. I bet Nebs would have a mean hook with that lubed up ball. Hell, you know who would have a mean hook? Jake the Snake, literally, with the mean hooks. Oh jeez. Quit murdering people. 100% Griff that guy. Yes. We're the proof of the street gang. Gamma is gonna running things. God. Oh man, yes. The chaos gang, 100%. I love it. I love it. I love every bit about this, guys. Mom is a original gangster. She broke us. Indeed, it's in our genes. Ramona says Nebs breaking would suggest I was not broken to begin with. Jeez. Oh, tell us more, Ramona. Tell us more. What originally broke you? What originally broke Ramona? That's what I want to know. You just seem so sensible. I don't know how you ever got broken. Gamma, most of us don't have genes, or at least you hide it very well. Ben Lawrence says, to be honest, it was Craig's dates. I got genes. They just suck. God. Oh my god. Oh jeez. Oh my god. Nebs, I keep thinking about that. You showed that video. You literally mooned. Oh my god. You just recessive genes. Yeah, oh my god. I need freedom. Hence the name, says Brave Fucking Freedom. And skinny jeans do not afford much freedom. Oh my god. Oh jeez. Jake the Snake says I got priors. We need Mad Adam and Mother to step up. Step up to the plate, says Ben. Yeah. So you don't want to be in charge of all the of all the chaos, huh? We definitely need multicolored bowling shoes so I don't slip in Neb's pool and crack my dome. Oh geez, Velcro preferred. Oh my gosh. Might have to be called the gutter balls. Oh jeez. Ready for indictment. Why did you ban bowling shoes around McFreedoms? That's a good question, Ben. That's a good question. Why did you ban bowling shoes at McFreedoms? We need bowling shoes too. Oh my god, with flames. Oh my god. Okay. All right, guys. It's all noted. It's all noted in here. We'll see what we can do. I don't know about bowling shoes, though. That might be a little hard to find a supplier for. All right, let's get going back in the chat. What else did I have pulled up? What are we going to get into next? Trump-backed World Liberty Coin gets Coinbase approval with a USD1 stablecoin listing. It's coming. Trump's coin from World Liberty Financial, a crypto project backed by President Donald Trump and his sons, is now available for trading on Coinbase. The exchange announced on Thursday, America's biggest cryptocurrency exchange, in the listing on Thursday. Post on X, Eric Trump, the president's son and World Liberty co-founder, reposted and said it's more news related to the crypto project was coming very soon. Decrypt reached out to World Liberty Financial for comment, but they did not immediately give a response. Coinbase and Decrypt is Decrypt that it is listed that the coin because it strives to bring the market's products and services to our customers that they want. American users can now access 3 stablecoins on Coinbase: USDC, Tether, USDT, and now USD1. Damn. So that's crazy. We have another stablecoin in the United States, but we also have another one too in Wyoming. Don't forget, they have their own stablecoin now in the state of Wyoming. This is crazy. I cannot believe we're saying these things out loud in 2025. All right, so that's what's going on with Trump, and of course, not him, but his company or his family's business today. Anthony Pompliano explains the reason behind Bitcoin's recent decline and what to expect next. Of course, we like Pompliano. That's a pretty old picture of him. Famous investor, professional capital management CEO Anthony Pompliano evaluated the recent price movements of Bitcoin. According to Pompliano, the recent declines of Bitcoin are a sign of the asset's maturation process. Pompliano noted that Bitcoin has typically experienced corrections of 30% in the past bull markets, while the recent declines remained in the 10 to 15% range. He explained that this is related to the entry of institutional investors into the market and the decrease of volatility. Bitcoin is now a much larger market. Institutional investors, ETFs, and public companies are involved. This is leading to a reduction in excessive volatility. Don't tell that to sailors. I'm just saying. Yeah, we are now likely to see a rapid rally to 400,000, 500,000, or a sharp decline of 85 to 90%. Damn. Pompliano stated that the Bitcoin has transitioned from a consensus investment into consensus investment, arguing that the process inherently results in a lower volatility. He also stated that he believes that Bitcoin will reach $1 million in the long term. Roughly everyone's got the 5-year target in their mind now. Of course, the first one to really get that ball rolling was Kathy Wood. And she was the first one to call basically $1 million Bitcoin by 2030. Back in 2021, 2020, I forget. She's actually gotten a lot more bullish since then, and it's gone up and down, to 2.5 on her super bull cases to like 1.2 on her base case, something like that. According to Pompliano, Bitcoin is oversold. That's what I've been saying now for the last 2 weeks. Doesn't matter what I say. Doesn't matter what I'm not going to demand it. The universe. Suggest to the universe. It's still stuck over and oversold levels and still not within the bullish range that we would like to see. At its current levels, with a rebound expected in September-October period, this is due to the expectations of the Fed rate cut, corporate buying, and increased market activity after the holiday season. Referring to the interest in ETPs and ETFs, Pompliano said that some investors have converted their Bitcoin into ETFs for security reasons, but he does not expect this to become a widespread in the general community. We did see also Plan B. I could not believe he did that at the beginning of the year. He rolled over, or it was the end of last year. I forget. Beginning of this year, end of last year. Potato. Plan B rolled over his Bitcoin into an ETF. Again, I just couldn't believe it. Anyway, Bitcoin is still king. The rhetoric of the blockchain, but not Bitcoin, is no longer valid. Capital is shifting to the other areas, which further reduces volatility. This is not investment advice. Of course, Pompliano's words, not mine. All right. Let's get back into the chat real quick before I get too far behind. Oh, no. Jake the Snake, his ball is designed for his hooks, of course, because he lost his hands in a 4th of July this year. Sorry, my guy. Sorry. He's also a snake. It's kind of hard to have hands to begin with. I don't know how you had hands to begin with, Jake. All right. Let's see where we were here. Blasphemy to... I'm so behind. Blasphemy. Toe fetish maybe, says Matt Adam. Are you saying... You're saying Ramona has a toe fetish? What? I'm still trying to figure out how Ramona's broken. You guys are saying that she's now broken. How's it going, Attila the Hun? Ready for takeoff. When blast off? Don't tell me soon. Say now. I'm sorry. You're still gonna get it. Soon. You're still gonna get it. The gas fees, goons, are going down. Yes, they're going down because volatility is going down. The overall volume is going down. Freedom of choice of shoes still permitted. At freaking freedoms, nice. That's good to hear. It's good to hear that was just a rumor, a baseless rumor, Ben. A baseless rumor. Gamma Goddess says, I'll be on the open mic tonight with a Crypto Futures shirt and my Chaos jacket. Nice, Gamma. Let me know what time that is going to be tonight. As I haven't been on one in forever, because it does just kind of conflicts with my schedule now. Unless Gamma cracks down, she is in charge of enforcing policies. I'm a hands-off guy. Gamma runs the show. She's gonna be the. That's perfect. The Gamma Chaos. Oh my God. The Gamma Gang. Oh my God, it's perfect. It rolls right off the tongue. The Gamma Gang. I'll have my Bad News Bears shirt ready just in case we flip. Hands off guy says. Oh no, you guys are fighting in the chat now. Right, hands off says Baby Perfect Freedom. I say Gamma time. Yes, Gamma. With a wrench in my hand, doing the McHammer dance. Oh my God. You running with the whale riders, Neb? Not in this family. Not in this family. Gamma, not her parachute pants on. It's going down. What? You have parachute pants? Oh my gosh. Nobody use Jake the Snake's custom single hole bowling ball. Yes, that's right. That's his bowling hole. It's only his. Single hook, single hole. Oh my God. How the hell does that even work? Jeez. I just imagine there's like a divot in there. You just like wrap your hook around it. Jesus. Oh, jeez. You played yourself, homie. I love those pants. My ball is designed for hooks. I've never seen those pants, I don't think. Please all keep hodl if MSM starts talking war in the Southern Hemisphere. Likely just maritime interdiction operations, MIO for border, and world peace before the aliens come in November. Of course, that's where I knew you were going to roll that into the freaking aliens in November. No, apparently this is a Harvard scientist, right? Harvard graduate scientist. Oh my gosh. Open mic is tomorrow, says yes, Ramona. Yes, today's not Friday. 100%. Thanks again for reminding us, Ramona, for that $5 super chat. I appreciate you contributing to the chaos every single day. Thank you. Jacob 6 says yes, man bush me. So hodl. Oh my God. I forgot all about Manbush. It's always Cliff now. Cliff. Yes, we're off to the bend, and that's okay. Third grade, we must have been an early ode to Bitcoin. A snake with hands sounds like a dragon. It's exactly what that is. Man, that's why he's long live the king. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so High Seas Street Gang. Jeez. It's the only bowling alley that keeps your socks on. What? Keeps your socks. What? Oh my God. Open mic is Fridays and Saturdays at 9:30 Central. 9:30 Central. That is, of course, 10:30 Eastern for those who are in Eastern. Yes, I'm happy to hear that as well. And, of course, you guys can participate with that if you are part of Crypto Futures Patreon over in the chat below. I've got the link for you if you want to catch Rob. You have not catch Rob yet. Of course, he's my favorite Canadian, the man with all the gems and the plan for you. Don't thank me all at once. He's awesome. And without him, we wouldn't have great projects to invest and hold up our portfolio like Zebek. All right, guys. I was so happy it's already Friday. Yeah, I was too, man. I was like, damn it, it's not Friday because it's not Jackson Hole. That's tomorrow morning, Friday morning, guys. Tomorrow morning we're going to be doing the entire Jackson Hole show. I believe he's going live at like 9:30, 10 o'clock. Tomorrow morning. So like as soon as we get out of bed and get on the live, he's going to be up there for us to talk about. Right, he's a bushman. He knows that what he likes. 100%. That's what I used to always say, Jake. And now it's kind of weird seeing C-Story all the time. But that's how Google's playing this weird thing with the @ signs and the people. I don't know why. Anyway, damn, I got a soon. That's right, you got a soon, Attila. I am going to make a call September 25th. We take off and don't look back. No double top of this run. I'm one massive run. We got 1 month to pop off. So let's fill it up. December 12th, we end this thing. I'm going to put you on the board. Attila, I'm going to put you on the board, my guy. All right, where are you at? September 25th. That's the end of September. That's pretty bold statement. Usually end of the month, we start to sell off. Usually in the last 2 days of the month. Usually 3. Depends on where the last options expiry date is for Bitcoin. Speaking of which, I think we're getting close to Bitcoin's last options expiry. That'll be next Friday. So yeah. Next Friday will be Bitcoin's for the month of August. So there isn't much left in the month, and Bitcoin's already got this to go over this Friday, and it's going to have to sustain itself into next Friday as well. It is closer to the end of the month, so it won't be as bearish going into the weekend next week. We could see a rollover and then a pump bound Sunday. It's set up perfectly. I do like where August is ending into September. It's very bullish, but September usually is not, right? That's the thing. It's kind of a cursed month again for Bitcoin. All right, where was I? September. Before I lose track of what the hell I'm even doing. I'm not even drinking tonight, guys. Jesus. Jesus. Okay, so the 25th, right? 25th right there. That's where I got you. I'm going to put you in there for the 25th, my man. Attila, on the board, my man. Again. Attila. The Hun. For, I'm just going to say a general rip. General rip. On the 25th. I'm going to start putting dates in here because, yeah, TradingView keeps jumbling around. It's driving me crazy. Crazy. All right, so we're putting you in for that. And then you're talking about an end of the, whoops, trend line? What the hell? Okay. You're talking about the end of the season on December 11th? December 12th. We end the run. All right, let's do this. Let's do this. Wouldn't that be kind of crazy? Oh, I have the run ending in April on this one here. I don't know when I drew that one. We're still we're still leading up to it. This could actually still play out the same way. This sends us up to a $250,000 Bitcoin, I think, almost 231. This is kind of my trajectory for the year. We get most of our peak, most of our run. Right around, when is this? God, every time I jump on the daily here. Tula coming in with a $2 super like. Thank you, my man. Thank you, Tola, for also contributing to the chaos. How you doing, man? How you doing? You're always quiet in the background. Always sipping on some coffee. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. Okay, so yes, let's see what we got. Where was I? I keep losing it. Yeah, we're talking about December 11th, 12th, December 12th for the man with the plan, Attila the Hun. So he's calling for the start of this rip and the end of this, the end on the 12th. On the 12th. Gotcha. I got you in there, man. I gotcha. Boom. All right. So again, my big picture idea, right? My big picture idea with all the shit all over the. It's hard to see with the banana and everything. We running this all the way up to October, I think it is. I can't. I drew that line and it's not visible on the 1 day. I need it to be visible on the 1 day. Visibility on the 1 day. Give me the days, the weeks, the months, everything. Just show it, not the seconds. Okay. On the 1 day, it's. Oh yeah, there it is. I see it. Okay, so we basically run this up right now, and we're still on target. We're still on target for this. It could still play out. This takes us into a high on November. Then we roll on over in tax season in December, and then we start again. This is my idea. This is my general idea. I've been talking about this all year, ever since the tarot started rolling over into the later months. Yeah. Cliff coming back in with another $5 super chat. October 3rd. 2025 on the board, please. I don't know what, but going with the Crypto Chaos. Good times. Yes, my man. Cliff, I got you in there for the 3rd of October now. Let's get you in there for there. Yeah, we don't have Cliff on the board anymore. That's right. I'm happy that you said something, my man. On October 3rd. October 3rd, that would be right. Oh man, we got a lot. We got a lot in October, guys. A lot of you guys are predicting for October. I think that was the one I just moved, right? Yeah. I just moved that one into October 3rd. I gotta change the name on it. Okay, to Cliff. We're gonna do another rip prediction for Cliff. Rip. And that is on the 3rd. Just in case squirrely stuff happens with the trading view. Okay, all right, we're good, guys. We're good on that as well. All right, so the next one on out the gate is, I believe, Gamma Goddess, right? Be Kind Always is going to expire today. That's pretty much a no-brainer. That's not going to happen. Not before Jackson Hole. Does not look like the Bears are going to give that up today. So we're going to mute that, of course, for the rest of the time being. Sorry. I'm sorry. Be Kind Always. Not gonna happen. So yeah, that one's off the board. Gamma Goddess is next up. $130,000 big prediction by Monday. We could get easing out of Jackson Hole, throwing us into a crypto weekend. I would love to see this all play out and send Bitcoin to 130,000 by Monday. Let's go, Gamma. Let's freaking go. It's possible. It's possible if Jerome says the right things tomorrow. The markets rally. Which right now there's a coin flip, guys. It's kind of low. It's getting low. It's actually, what did I say, 60% now? 65% chance. So we're getting closer into a coin flip. And I don't have a single coin on my desk. Are you kidding me? Oh, yeah. There's one up here. All right. I'm going to flip a coin, guys. All right. Jackson Hole. He gives a positive response at Jackson Hole. That's it. That's all I'm asking. We got a heads. We got a heads, guys. Oh, let's freaking go. Let's go. Let's go.
We're gonna win so much.
Jeez. Oh, Jesus. Are we ever going to win? I've been playing that clip for 2 years now. I love it. I love it. Anyway, it's so funny. Oh, jeez. Okay, so this is we're getting back into it, guys. We're getting back into it. I gotta catch up in the chat again. Oh man, I can never catch up anymore. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna jump in somewhere and I'm gonna just read it from here on out. Okay, Ben Lawrence says if you're out of the dark, take someone with you. The Lizzies are targeting the family right now. What? They're targeting us with potty words, right? Like pee-pee. Jesus.
What are you, stupid?
My buddies that did crypto in previous runs told me sell in May and walk away. 100%. How things have changed. That's yeah. That used to be the ticket. Not much anymore. Accumulation. And how things have changed. Accumulation range keeps stretching out forever. I'll just keep adding and hodling. Yeah, of course. That's what the wise man once said, man. McFreedom. Just keep hodling and adding. Yeah, 100%. 100%. Yes, BHM, 100%. The Lizzies say lots of potty words with snakes. 100%. See, you knew exactly where I was going with that, too. Oh, my God. Miss Cleo, let me down. Yes, Jake. Let me down. I think September 21st, Mad B-Day Rip is in the tarot cards. Ooh, is it? Speaking of tarot cards, now I have the bunker clean. And I'm not really gonna do any big renovations in the studio until I replace that lighting again now, because the lighting's dead. Just freaking died earlier this week. That's why I was so mad the other day. It wasn't because the price was down. It was because my freaking light died. All right. Yeah. So I'm not gonna do. I actually have some tarot cards. I gotta start learning how to use them. So. We might do some crypto tarot one of these nights, guys. Soon. Did we make the switch yet from coffee to... No, not yet. No, I hope so. I hope we get some more whiskey up in here. Wasn't the girl gang in the Warriors called the Lizzies? I think you're right. Yeah, I think you are right. It also... Wasn't the Lizzies also in... I'm thinking of the Lizard League. In Invincible. Okay. Yeah, it's close. Oh, man, all these lizards, man. What else we Brave Farming Freedom says, we'll probably get surprise dovish speech to Pow Pow tomorrow. Don't you worry, says Jake. Don't you worry. He has to give at least 25 basis points. Even if he does, guys, again, even if he does give the 25 basis point and he gives maybe a tiny bit dovish, it's still going to be looked at as bearish for the markets. It's just how it is. It's already, because the market's already priced in 25 basis points. It's not going to do too much. And if we don't give some outstanding, motivation out of Powell and some sort of dovish stance, then yeah, it's probably gonna roll the markets either way. Sorry, Tola, I tried to hit that big thumbs up in the super chat and it deleted. I didn't mean to do that. Bad wrench. What the hell, Big Freedom? Oh, man. 130,000 could happen simply being slightly dovish. Oh, man, Cliff. I like where you're going now. We got heads. We got lube. We got your name on the board with a sub and joining the Chaos Club. Yes. My man, Cliff. 100%. I hope so. Jake the Snake. It would be nice to get her ripping again. It would be up with M2 money supply as well, 100%. We are a little lagging, a little more lagging behind now, M2 money, as typically by now we would have a little bit more of a rip. We're usually like 2 months away, 1 or 2 months away from the M2. Miss Cleo said Miss Lee, isn't it like 18 weeks, something like that? So yeah, it's like 2 months. It's like 16, yeah, 16 weeks, I forget. 12 to 16 weeks behind. We got designer jellies for all your loop. Oh my god. Always. Again. Nebs cannot get away from it. I'm just tired of my bags pumping while my my peaches tooted up. Oh geez, screw traction control. I need friction control. Man, Nebs has got you. If you guys need lube, he's got you. Just request the man for a bottle, and we will move on with less or no pain. I think from yesterday, man, I'm telling you, no more pain. Most of you guys should feel no more pain after yesterday. That should not matter if your bags are down. It's going to go up eventually. This too will pass. C Story says Crypto Otaku put some of these Walmart shrimp hiding in the rice own the Indonesia on the light covers and let them grow with the flow. Oh my god. Yes. Oh my god, Nebs indeed. Jake. Braveheart with Freedom targeting Sweetie Pie Tola. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Tola didn't say anything in chat, right? He doesn't ever really say anything. He usually shares a coffee with me and then goes about his day. I do love him though. He's a pretty cool guy. but yeah, let's see what we have here. Going back down. Ease the pain with more lube. Yes, I scrolled through that. I must have missed that one again. Oh, geez, guys. You gotta watch out. That wave might be coming back. It might be coming back, guys. You never know. Oh my god. Just make sure you're all hands on deck in the pool, and make sure you got your Velcro shoes on, I guess. God damn it, guys. I'm just impatient, says Jake the Snake. This too shall pass, 100%. Yes, it will. And, but Grease Up guy's not falling for it. Go ahead and tell me my rear end for... Oh my god. Oh, it's sore. Oh my god. He won't listen. He won't. God. All right, man. More lube for the Neb. He needs it. He needs it, guys. He needs more than what he's got, apparently. Thunder Chaos Warrior Ho. Oh my gosh. Yes. Thundercats reference there, Jake. I'm taking the lube away. I'm a fire starter. Oh geez, he likes it. I think he does. Being you, Nebs, you like it. Oh yeah, and as soon as all the cautions came up, the wave of lube just swept through the chat again. Yes, lube is not flammable. All right, I'm sorry. Put the lube away, my guy. Put it away. We're all fine here now. How are you? Jesus. All right. Let's get back into the news, guys. Let's see what else we can dig up tonight. Did I actually close something I shouldn't have closed? Oh, I think that was Papiano. Yeah. I was just stuck there for such a while. Catching up with the chat. You guys are on fire tonight. Could FOMC minutes be hinting at a hawkish Jackson Hole speech? This came out 3 hours ago from Blockworks. This is a segment from the Forward Guidance newsletter. As we read at the end of August, all eyes are once again on the Grand Tetons. Not because of the striking views, but because of the annual Woodstock of central banking is going to down. Man, they have an audit. I mean, they have an editor over there, guys. I said this yesterday at Blockworks. They have an editor over there who's very edgy, and I really love the way he writes. It better not be an AI. Oh my god. If it is, I need to find this algorithm and make it my own. Yeah, tomorrow morning, Fed Chair Powell will deliver the keynote speech. Historically, these speeches have served as key inflection points for the Federal Reserve's thinking on monetary policy from a high level. More importantly, it's an opportunity for Powell to speak for himself and not on behalf of the whole FOMC committee. There are two key catalysts to consider we await for tomorrow's speech. The first is any indication about whether a rate cut will come in September, which he has done. Last year he did it at the same exact time. This time last year at the same Jackson Hole event. He sent us into September while knowing we were going to get our first rate cut. before Trump's inauguration, or before he won the entire thing. Right now, the CME Futures projects a 71% odds of a cut, down from 92% odds last week. Again, it fell quite a damn bit. The crux of the consideration is very weak jobs reports from last month, combined with the inflation. It seems to be up surprisingly to the upside. Shows no signs of returning to the Fed's 2% target. Andy Constant. Speaking of this, before we get any further. Real inflation data. What's that damn real inflation? What's that? Trueflation. Trueflation is still good though. That's the thing that's weird. Because they still prefer PPI and CPI, Consumer Price Index, and then of course their own targets. Compared to Trueflation's still showing we're fine. We're still at that 2% target. I mean, why is that not really letting me see the damn thing? I think it's like 2.2 or something like that. It's really close. The last time I looked at Trueflation, let me find the damn thing. I had to mention this because it's pissing me off that they keep skewing the data every single time. Every 3 or 4 years, they keep construing the data. Is Trueflation more accurate? No, I'm trying to find the damn chart. Give me the damn chart. Trueflation. Year over year. Come on. Oh my god. Alright. I've lost my mind, guys. This is a lot more data than I really wanted. But here it is. Goods, foods, beverages, transportation, health, tobacco, alcohol. And I can't even zoom in enough to see it. It's a ridiculous jumbled mess of nonsense. And I don't know if there's ads or whatever, but oh my god. Yeah. So goods and services is 1.5%, 1.9%. Goods is 1.5. Core is 2. 1.99. Food and beverages is 2.61. Housing is 0.8. Transportation is 1.25. I mean, Trueflation is showing everything is okay. That's what some economists are pointing to anyway right now. I had to at least segue into that real quick and just show you guys what I was talking about. Anyway, Andy Costin tweeted the helpful framework of how to think about the probabilities of what could happen here. The second potential catalyst is that the Fed will publish the results of its 5-year monetary policy framework review. It is in the last review in 2019. The FOMC introduced its flexible average interest rate targeting, the FAIT, which targeting an average of 2% inflation over the long term, with inflation running above its 2% target for nearly 5 years now. This framework is expected to be retired and then return to a new hardline target towards 2% as anticipated. Underlying this shift are implications around what the Fed perceives to be the neutral rate. Right now, the Fed sees the current federal funds rate as slightly above neutral. This opens the possibility of Fed rate cuts without an easing stance. The Fed were to move in a neutral rate higher. Such a move could indirectly imply that it no longer thinks that the cuts are restrictive and thus dampen the expectations of imminent reductions. Personally, I believe the FOMC meeting minutes from July lay the groundwork for hawkish surprise tomorrow. The minutes were outright hawkish and hinted at the committee that is not inclined to cut at all. That said, these minutes were written before the weak job report that sparked expectations of rate cuts in September, so they could be seen as stale. I disagree with this notion. I do as well. I feel like it sounds pretty damn bearish. And again, what we saw today from Walmart, you guys caught me in the market open live this morning. Walmart coming out with some pretty bad numbers. Was that this morning or was that yesterday morning? I forget. But it wasn't good. Of course, they were basically saying, in the nicest way possible, and I read it word for word, and I gave you guys the vernacular this morning. We're going to see higher prices for consumers. Yes. Yep, it's here. Okay. Moving on. What else can we dig up tonight? Let's find some breaking news now. Let's go do a little quick run through some refreshes here. See if we can find anything else breaking, as I have nothing else pulled up for tonight. Then we're going to do some doom scrolling over on Twitter. Yes. doom scrolling, guys. I love it. Getting the real news over on Twitter. Right, 2 hours ago, latest chip, ChatGPT 5 predicts XRP, Solana, and ETH prices at the end of 2025. This is old. We just read this thing. They just put out the same exact thing last week. Why are they doing it again? This is as of 2 hours ago. No, I'm not reading that again. We did it last week. ChatGPT's XRP analysis flags bearish setup below AMAs. That's kind of what we were talking about earlier. Cynthia Lummis eyes Thanksgiving target for U.S. I did click on that earlier. Yes, I did. Cynthia Lummis eyes Thanksgiving target for U.S. crypto market structure bill. We mentioned this yesterday with her stance on this. There was a video clip that we showed yesterday of her saying that she thinks it could happen before Thanksgiving, before the turkey's on the table. Let's go. On that, of course, would be very, very bullish for all crypto assets, but very much so for Bitcoin, because this is the last line in the sand for the strategic Bitcoin reserve. Allocating new allocations have to be done after the market structure bill is completed. Cynthia Lummis pushes for Thanksgiving deadline. Speaking with the Salt Wyoming Blockchain Symposium 2025 on August 20th, Lummis claimed that the Congress will have market structure bill done this year. We will have the market structure of the president's desk before the end of the year. Lummis said, I hope it's before Thanksgiving. That is our goal. And I'm going to stop there because, we don't want to get too much into repeating the same stuff over and over on the channel. Okay. Right. So, investors brace for pal speech as Bitcoin dips near $112,000. We're already there. Just a quick little checkup on Bitcoin right now. Looking still tight. Tight.
Go.
Tight. Yes, do it like a tiger. Yes. Yeah, like a tiger. Yes.
Like a tiger blood, man. Winning.
It's looking all right. It's for now. All right. Gemini receives MiCA license in Malta. Bitcoin analysts point to for manipulation of Bitcoin prices fall to the 17-day low. We covered that yesterday. It's old news. An hour ago, Bitcoin loses 91 million in social engineering attack. A Bitcoiner. Stablecoins, social engineering, of course, is just social hacking, same thing. Pennsylvania state lawmaker proposes ban on public officials trading crypto. Interesting. They propose a ban? Really? Come on. I thought it sounded like Pennsylvania was going on the right foot. At the beginning of the year, they were opting for a strategic Bitcoin reserve in the state of Pennsylvania. Then that got shot down, and here we are now with this. A bill pushed by the representatives, including a ban on lawmakers and their families from launching, promoting, or trading in coins where they hold a personal financial interest. I guess this is fair. I mean, it's kind of no different in how it should be in the White House, and of course it's not, and for our lawmakers right now currently. All right, so I'm going to leave that with what it is there. U.S. Commerce officially buys Bitcoin as Trump's tariffs shake markets. Okay. What else we have here? Anything else? Nothing else on Cointelegraph for the day. Let's refresh. Daily Coin, anything breaking right now on Daily Coin? Not really. BlackRock, Grayscale, Bail on ETFs. We covered that like last week. These are old. Daily Hodl. Let's refresh the Daily Hodl and see if there's anything good here. They usually have a lot of good stuff popping up. Big Shorts. Michael Burry pours 383 million into a bullish bet on 4 stocks. Damn, Michael Burry. He was the guy that originally predicted the 2008 financial crash, right? Pretty sure that was him. Michael Burry, hedge fund manager, legendary investor Michael Burry kicked off a new $383 million bullish bet split between 4 different stocks. U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission filings from Burry's section, Scion Asset Management, indicated the hedge fund had opted for a bullish stance on United Health. I mean, they were ripped hard by the Big Beautiful Bill. Regeneron Pharmaceuticals, Lululemon, and Meta. Opening large positions in the call options in each firm's stock. The firm now owns $109 million worth of its call options on controversial multi. Why is this in crypto news? I was expecting some sort of crypto allocation, but I don't see any such thing there. All right, enough of that TradFi nonsense. $14 million in exploits related to losses hit real-world assets protocols in just 6 months. That's okay. Cybersecurity CertNet. FTC warns new money hack social media trend, actually bank fraud that could lead to serious legal trouble. Bitcoin and other crypto assets primed to becoming a cornerstone of global finance. Since says services giant Allianz Alliance, whatever. We already heard from Goldman Sachs yesterday saying the same exact thing as well. $1 million catch. Florida man arrested after presenting fraudulent $1 million check from JP Morgan Chase using stolen identity. What else is new? Crypto wallet. Mascot announces plans to launch a native stablecoin. We already talked about that 2 weeks ago. That's the MMAS token. Investors, Anthony Papagliano says Bitcoin's pretty oversold. All right, we're pretty much, I think we're caught up on the news, guys. Everyone's already talking about the same headlines we already talked about. And of course, Bitcoin Magazine's got nothing for us there. That takes us to the real news platform over on X. So if you guys like what you're seeing here tonight, please hit the like, subscribe buttons down below. Trying to get to 1,000 subs so we can get all of the superpowers unlocked for the channel. Guys, it's just one button away from making that happen. All right, guys. So yeah, real news over on X. We're gonna doom scroll tonight. Unfiltered chaos. Loading. Oh boy, here we go. Oh my God, no way. No way they did not do that. I love it. I absolutely love it. So this is Grok's Annie. Still only exclusivity to iPhone, I believe. Long press on any image on X and turn it into a video about 17 seconds, according to Elon Musk. He's showing off Annie again, and I don't know if you guys know, this is an anime reference. My otaku brain is screaming. Good for truth, bad for dogma. All right. What is this pertaining to? This pertains to, of course, the jacket, of course, that I still have some on my desk somewhere, actually. That Akira's, if I can find it, Kaneda, from Akira wore on his jacket. Notably, do I really not have a sticker? I got literally stickers from almost every anime on my desk right now. I can't find one at the moment, but yeah, that's what that is. That is originally it read a pill, and it said good for health, bad for education. I would say it's kind of bad for both. Anyway, let me show you what I'm talking about. Boom, Kaneda. Bam. That's, of course, what I'm referring to there. All right. That's the jacket, of course. Yeah, there's Kaneda. Got it. Boom. One of my favorite animes of all time. Anyway, so yeah, that's what that's pertaining to there. Elon Musk is definitely a silent otaku. President Trump says that crypto could be the greatest revolution in finances history. That's an old clip. Michael Seller posts this here. Imagine everything there is and everything that ever will be divided by 21 million. And that is, of course, the power of Bitcoin. Jesus. That's going to gobble up everything. According to Sailor, prepare your bags. What else do we have here? Just in Boxable International are incorporated officially adopts Bitcoin as a treasury asset, acquiring 10 Bitcoin for $1 million. Boxable, isn't that like a company you make products on? Boxable? What is that company? I mentioned the revolutionized household construction. That's right. Yeah, the boxes. Yeah, the house boxes. Yeah, I've seen some YouTubers play around on those. I mean, they're cheap. Elon Musk also pitched an idea for a $10,000 house. I don't even know if that even still a thing. All right, let's get back in the chat real quick and catch up with you guys before I go any further in the doom scrolling tonight. Tolo's Tacos. Oh my God. Oh Jesus, you guys are nuts. Everyone's gonna have a company after the end of this. Oh jeez. Sickos, says Ben. Welcome to McFreedom's, now offering Tolo's Tacos. Oh my God. Oh my God. I gotta add that one. It's perfect. Oh jeez. You guys are a riot. I don't have enough scratch paper for all these ideas. We'll put it on the menu. So McFreedom's gonna have a lot of options. You have a freedom to have anything here at McFreedom's. Yes, away from slipping on the chat. Yeah, don't forget, guys. Make sure you wipe your feet before going in the house. There's a lot of lube outside. Mother, what's happening? Tolo's Tacos guaranteed to make you silent and violent. Oh my God, guys! Holy crap! Holy crap! Tolos are bringing Tolos are bringing drugs. They are bringing crime, and I suppose some make a mean taco. What the hell, Ben? He's gonna be a bearish tomorrow, but I'm sitting on my hands. Yeah, of course, me too. Therapy has turned into the sex cult. Oh my god. You just made me say that. Oh my god. Any warning signs, Ben? Therapy has turned into a cult, yes. Yeah. Did we chase Spencer out? Well, probably. After the third or fourth lube comment, he was probably over it. You'll remember that powdered alcohol? Powdered alcohol? No, Cliff. Maybe just the Madonna effects of breaking the Bannex. I'm not sure what that is. Off-course sales are down at Walmart. Radioactive shrimp aren't cheap. Jesus. Tight. Yeah, 100%. Speaking of which, let's see where Bitcoin is. It still at tight? Yep, still tight. It's trying to break up now. It's getting fought down by the bears. Again, trying to break out of this very hard resistance. It's 113.3. They're setting up shop. 113.3. It's a weird place to be. That's what they're doing right now. Weird. Trying to see if I can get this to show up. There we go. Boom. That's our resistance. All right, getting back into the doom scrolling. One more, a couple more things in the chat real quick, catch up. Of course, you crazies get butthurt when Trump buys crypto. If they forget that he doesn't take a salary, he's got to keep the lights on in the Mar-a-Lago. Yet everyone buy their damn crypto. Yeah, the loonies. Yeah. You're just saying that because he loves McFreedoms. He's a customer of McFreedoms. He's a very average customer. Ben Lawrence says you're just saying that. Yes, because he's a customer. Florida Man should be the name of a clothing brand. It really should. Man. Oh my god. I mean, we're gonna have so many ideas, guys. I'm telling you, we can make so many businesses after this bull run. It really. I mean, you're dead on, man. You're dead on, Ben. It really should be the name of a clothing brand. Might have to start. I don't have to think about that one. I hope so. RFK loves us too. He does love us, man, so much. I'm so sad that he's not actually our Bitcoin president. He was, of course, touting it a year or two before Trump even got involved. What's up, Overcome in the house? Yo. What is up, Overcome? What is up? You're looking at it. Spence is back, by the way. He said he's just counting all of his XCN. God. I'm nervous for tomorrow. I don't have a good feeling. How much worse can it really get? I mean, I showed you guys, man. We could go back down to 110, and if we break that, so 108 is the big one. If we lose 108, 103, then we get back down under either 100. I really don't want to see under 100 again. I really don't, and I don't know if the treasury companies are going to let that happen either. Ben Lawrence got your ass up in. I cannot say this stuff, guys. Oh my god. Oh Jesus. Sorry, I think my keyboard got all lubed up. I think it did. Gamma left. You guys probably scared her away. Future is live. She's probably over there as well. Gamma is just blending some ice for drinks. Nice. Definitely could use one right now as well, too. All right, let's doom scroll a little bit more and see what else is going on before we get into the normies. Samson Mao, time is a flat circle. What? Time is a flat circle. Let's see what Tom Lee. He's pointing out Tom Lee.
A lot of extensive research into BSV, but what were the particular characteristics that really piqued your interest in this particular blockchain?
Well, I think there are some really unique features that make BSV something that we want to pay attention to. You know, one is really the high throughput, the large block sizes. It really does seem to be a pretty burgeoning community as well.
Is this real?
Something that's really
He's
been
talking
in the
about
marketplace
BSV?
for about a year. I think that there's a tendency for people to think crypto is only about store value, slow blocks, and I think that there's going to be many winners, and so that's why we want to pay attention to a lot of projects.
Let's talk about the upcoming halvening and how that compared to the first one. What are your thoughts?
I think the same dynamics are going to be at play. Let's assume demand is constant, but you're cutting supply.
This is last cycle? Was Tom Lee bullish? I have to look this up now. Was he bullish on BSV last cycle? No way. I did not know that he was championing for BSV. Founder of a Fundstrat, of course, previously expressed interest in BSV, highlighting its large block sizes and enterprise-focused businesses of use cases. 2020 report and 2020 CoinGeek conference, while he has currently focused now on Ethereum, of course. But yeah, I that totally went over my head because my first cycle was 2020. I was just learning about Bitcoin when he was in this conference in 2020. That's insane. That's crazy. That puts things more in perspective for me, really. He is definitely chasing more institutional money. Right, so yeah, Samson Mal, thanks for shouting out that one. Definitely educated me. It's hard for me to learn something new in this space. I'm happy to see that. Wow, I missed that. Just in, Bitcoin was featured in the latest episodes of South Park. Oh boy, here we go again. Was it really? Oh my god, dude. I have to see this. Oh my god. And Tally's there. I was just telling my friend the other day. I'm like, Tally, we haven't seen Tally in a long time. Since Tegrity. Oh my god, for those who are South Park fans, yeah. Who the hell is that supposed to be? I'll have to let you know. David Sachs. Oh my god, it's David Sachs. Oh jeez, this is insane. Anthony Papagliano, Bitcoin is definitely oversold, 113,000. Of course, the article we covered today, basically coming from these highlights of his interview today. 1 week until we make Bitcoin history in Hong Kong. This is coming out of Bitcoin Asia. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on in Hong Kong in about a week. Okay, let me ask Google real quick before we get into the normies. What is happening with Bitcoin in Hong Kong next week? It said 1 week, right? Next week, 1 week. Next week, Hong Kong, the major event related to Bitcoin is anticipated to closure a significant Bitcoin purchase by Mingxing Group, a Hong Kong-based construction company that plans to acquire 4,250 Bitcoin worth $483 million by the end of December 2025. Anything else happening? Hong Kong's Crypto Hub conference. Okay, so also that too. All right, so that's what they're citing out there. The global money supply is going vertical. Yes, it is. And Bitcoin's, yeah, still down here. All right. Delete LinkedIn, says Elon Musk. Yes, delete LinkedIn. BRICS will roll out its own stablecoins, including gold. The U.S. naively thinks, this is Max coming from Max Kaiser, of course, as predicted, naively thinks that the world only wants dollars, U.S. dollar stablecoins, and Trump is wasting valuable time and money not stacking Bitcoin as aggressively as possible right now. Of course, it's coming from one of the largest Bitcoin maxis, of course, the legend himself, Max Kaiser. Really bad mistake, according to Max. Justin Senator Tim Scott, not Scott Besson. I always say that after Scott. Tim Scott says that Bitcoin and crypto are the future. Plain and simple, adoption is inevitable. This is coming from George. I'm George. You're George. We're all George. Over at Cryptos R Us. Because why not make it about us? I'm not sure how that still works. All right. Let's see what's going on with the normies tonight. Let's check back in the chat real quick. All right. Oh my god. Tally is my fave, says Braveheart. Yeah, me too. Me too. Kenny, my absolute favorite is Butters. But we don't get as much, Chaos, Professor Chaos out of him these days. But Tally is definitely one of my close seconds. For sure. Take me down to Funky Town. Beep beep boop beep boop. I love South Park. It's a classic. They've gotten kind of stale lately, but it's still good. It's still good. Jacob Snake says, Mike Freedoms, I'm beating something and it ain't my chest. Oh no, you guys. I can see why everyone in the chat is yeah. The X cult. Yeah, now we're turning into an X cult. Ben I says, I am the gang. Get up to speed. Yeah, posted a picture in the Ask Otaku chat on Crypto Futures. It says Gamma. We can take a look at that for Gamma real quick too. Let's see what's that is pertaining to. Beep beep boop beep beep boop. Boop beep boop beep boop. Oh Jesus. Tally. No, you're a Tao. Oh, Jesus. Tally. Okay, let's see what we got over there from Ask Otaku. Okay, all right. So guys, if if you're part of them over there, oh my gosh, it's literally a wrench emoji and fire emoji. Oh my god, the I could definitely do something with that. Not sure how expensive that's gonna be to merchandise, but we can take a look. We can take a look at it. Oh man, oh yeah, that one's cool too. Get chaos crew with the fire above it. Short and sweet. All right, guys, thanks for sharing that, Gamma. Thanks for sharing that. Oh, jeez. All right, let's get back into the normies. What are they looking up tonight? They're looking up pizza. Why? I just refreshed it, so pizza's gone now. No, there it is. Still number one. Pizza, number one. Why? I don't know. I don't know why the normies are looking up pizza. Millie, I ate pizza today, too. That's crazy. Why is it pizza day? I don't know. Millie Bobby Brown, James Dobson. Why are we looking up normies search history? Because we're trying to see if the normies are anywhere near getting involved in crypto yet. Anywhere near. And the odds are, as what I show you guys every single night, they're still nowhere near getting involved. The closest thing we've gotten to them getting involved has been the XRP search history against Bitcoin, which they did actually peak a little bit. For a little time there. I'm just adjusting my AC because it's getting hot as F in here. But yeah, other than that, we haven't really got an inkling of normies really getting involved in our space again. And I'm telling you, when the normies get in, every coin that starts with an X is going to pump. Every coin with an X is going to pump. That's exactly what happened in 2021. There's a lot more X coins now than there were in 2021. So I think XRP is going to have a lot of run for its money in terms of where the normies are going to put it. All right, anything with an X. Throw a dart. Hit anything with an X. I'm still predicting that. I'm still predicting that. All right. So what else we got for the normies? So we're looking at their search history, of course, to see if they're in our space. Typically, they're only searched for three things: sports, video games, and celebrities. We grade them on traditional grade scale according to this information, this data we are receiving. And let's get into their search history today. Pizza. I don't know why. Let me know in the chat if you guys know where people are Googling pizza today. Millie Bobby Brown. I don't know who the hell that is. I do not care. Jakes Dobinson. I don't know. I'm an non-normie. I don't know. Brant Hines. Villanova University. Okay. Lil Nas X. Okay, don't know. Overdose. Someone died. I don't know. I don't know. Red Sox versus Yankees. Sports. Normies love their sports. All these sports and things here. Serena Williams Tour Championship. Merendez brothers parole hearing. Those are those two kids that killed their parents in the 90s, right? I think. Silk Song release date. I live basically in the charts, guys. I really don't know any of this shit. I don't know any of this stuff. Educate me. I am years behind. Oh no. John Ritter, Airlines, Steelers versus Panthers, Giants, hostage Netflix. Okay. Powerball, lottery, jackpot. The normies got to play. They got to win somehow. One again. 1 in a million. 1 in a million. 1 in 6 million. 1 in 350. Good luck. Spencer coming in with a $5 super chat. My man. I'm the XCN points god. I have more points than all of you, especially Ben. Bring the chaos, Otaku. Oh, man. I just did, my man. Thanks to you contributing to the chaos tonight. Thanks again, Spence, for your generous donation to the cause. And yes, you are the keeper of the XCN points. What the hell? Oh, man. Jalen Brown, Mega Vitribel, like the Pokemon? Oh, ZA. Okay. So I'm guessing, Victor Bell. Victor Bell is going to get a new form in Pokemon ZA, I guess. I haven't even caught up in Pokemon, guys. That's how I'm so hyper-focused on crypto. My entire life has been. Jalen Brown, Cracker Barrel News, of course, relating to the logo change. Everyone hates it. It's ugly. We looked at it yesterday. It's atrocious. It shouldn't have happened. And I'm a graphic designer, so I know what I'm talking about. Ramona coming in with another $5 super chat. Ramona. Thank you. Today's Google Doodle is a pizza. That's why. Really, that's it. It's just if you go to Google's homepage, you can mess around with a pizza. Is that really it? I don't even see it. I don't know. I don't know. Google Doodle. I don't even know what a Google Doodle is. Let's see, Ramona. Let's see. Google Doodle. How do you go to Google Doodle? It's using a web browser used for the Google Doodle to play on the search bar. I don't know. I don't know how to do these things, guys. Google Doodle. All right, I give up. Moving back in the normie searches history, Jaylen Brown, Cracker Barrel News, Astros versus Orioles. Is Roblox shutting down? I don't know. Getting banned? I don't know what's going on with Roblox, but many a child will be distraught. Derek Harmon. I don't know any of these things. It must be a ball player of some kind. All right. Getting back into crypto, Bitcoin history over time for the normie searches as well. It's the last 7 days, and nothing new really here. Sitting at 44 on the day, slightly higher from the lows from yesterday, about 6 points higher from the lows. So we're getting a little bit more focus, I guess, on Bitcoin right before the Jackson Hole summit, but it's still nothing to really move the needle. The most high time frames are still 6 a.m. Universal Time. Whatever country is doing that, I do not know. I've been trying to figure that out for the longest time. All right. So that gets us full circle back into the charts. Let's see how Bitcoin's price action is doing
not doing this
tonight.
just for sort of charitable purposes, though I do think it has.
And shut them off. Speaking of which, guys, speaking of unnecessarily clicking on different things, I went to Fox Business the other day. Yes. I went there after hours. I accidentally clicked on it, and they actually showed Cops. You remember the old show Cops? They actually have reruns of Cops on Fox Business. I had no idea that they do this. I actually got stuck watching some trash TV, some proper trash TV. Oh my god! I thought this show was canceled years ago. It have to be reruns. All right, so yeah, so if you guys, again, if you want to watch some free Fox, free Fox Business, free Cops, bringing you everything for free as much as I can, guys. Oh my god, it's so stupid. It's so stupid. All right. Going back into the charts. All right, so Bitcoin's stuck at a crucial time right now. This is the third attempt in the last 24 hours? No. 12 hours. Yes, last 12 hours. The third attempt to break back up to 113,000. Will Bitcoin break back up? 68% of you believe we are not going to... let me see. Let me look at the poll. Let me read it right. Will Bitcoin lose 112? Yeah. So, yeah, 68% of you believe that we're not going to get above 116 and break out before Jackson Hole. That is, of course, the ideal target. We need to break this parallel downward spiral we've been in, right? This downward downtrend parallel channel. Yeah, so that's what we're looking at here. Of course, just looking at the poll. Yeah, the overall sentiment is no. We go down to Pound Town and we continue this journey I've been talking about every single night, even though I go against the grain every single night. And I'm like, yeah, we're oversold. Baseline bear. Baseline bull. I know it's going to be baseline bear, but I'm going to say baseline bull. It's a clear pattern until Jackson Hole. All right. Yeah. So I'm going to do the same thing tonight, guys. Just letting you know. I'm probably going to do it. I mean, look at this. This is so stupid. We're oversold to hell. Pompliano said it. I've been saying it for over a week. It's oversold. We're going to get into that with Crypto Chaos Magic here in just a moment. Let me catch back in the chat one more time, guys. Damn you lubed up keys. Didn't Google Doodle having out with Microsoft Clippy? What? I didn't know they're in a fight with dominance over who can have the most useless webding, or not webding, what do you call those? Widgets, right? Widgets. That was like one of the first widgets, Clippy. I remember Clippy. Yeah, who uses Google? Honestly, Braveheart, who uses Google? Normies still use Google. They still use Google. I mostly use DuckDuckGo for the most part. And if I'm looking for images, I don't use Google at all. Not anymore. at all. They have the worst filters when it comes to searching. Actually, I prefer to use Bing. Believe it or not, Bing of all things when it comes to looking for pictures. Just you can actually filter it with things that you actually require, like pixel density and things that actually matter. Anyway, I got out of XCN a while ago. Says Ben Lawrence. Ramona, did you see our new jackets? Did you see them, Ramona? If you let me know if you did. If you didn't, check the Ask Otaku page over on Crypto Features Patreon. It's over there. Google, aka censorship, search engine. Oh, damn it! I'm back on the radar. Yes. Yeah, you are brave. Didn't Google Doodle having out with Microsoft Clippy? No, I don't know about that. Darn lube keys. Ben is the reason XCN hasn't pumped. Yeah. Oh, jeez. They should make a new show called Ice. Oh my god. Yeah, instead of cops. Sequel, Ice. God. Oh, jeez. I feel the alcohol flowing through me, making me stronger, says Jake the Snake. Oh, man. I would love to have a drink right now. It'd be amazing. But we're only a day away from a drink. And I'm pretty good about it. Only sticking to drinks on the weekends. Indeed, Jake the Snake. Indeed. And that, of course, I'm a lightweight, guys. So one drink and I'm under the table. You guys have seen it, 2. I start mispronouncing things. And then 3, I'm on the floor asleep. Okay, so what else we have here? Yes, Rob was featured on an episode of Cops yesterday. No, shut up. No, he wasn't. Is he getting involved again with... Is he getting involved again with his neighbor? I hope that saga ended, but I really hope that he's giving him some slack, man. It seems like I don't want to get into it. Like and subscribe. Family Otaku works hard, says Ben. Yes, guys, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Need to shill harder. Jake the Snake demands it. I demand it. Ramona demands it. Yes, we're trying to get the subs to 1,000, guys. We're so close. Look at that meter. Look, it's almost to the top. It's almost to the top. It's so hard to tell because it's just flames. Jeez. Anyway, yes, Ramona, 100% Ben. Yeah, DuckDuckGo, for show. Yes, Braveheart McFreedom also knows where to get his freedom searches going. Gamagata says, Mom, did you see that approved jackets? Someone here uses the back pages for their search. You'd be proud of this, says Gamma. Search using Dogpile better than Google, but Google got the MSM funding out for popularity. Dogpile, man, I haven't used Dogpile in forever. I forgot all about Dogpile. I gotta try that again, see how it's going. I haven't used Dogpile in like 7 years, maybe 8. Yeah. I used to add every search engine to my arsenal just to try to source through all of the images on Google. I mean, as a graphic designer, you gotta try to source as much free stuff as you can. All right, so let's see what we have here. Definitely going to on the fridge, Ben. Oh my god, the jacket, the picture of the jacket's going on the fridge. ICE is hiring if you need dry powder, $50 to sign up on bonus. I thought it was more than that, Spence. They actually were featured in an episode of South Park, not the newest one, but the one before that, called My Nut. Yeah, it's like my nut got my nut or something like that. Yeah, basically South Park's behind on a few different topics. I don't want to spoil it for anyone who hasn't seen it, but that was actually featured in there with a sign-on bonus for ICE. Lube and subscribe, says Braveheart McFreedom. Yeah. Different neighbor now. Oh my god, Spence, really? Oh, that sucks. Oh my god. I hope I never have that problem. So far, my bunker mates are fine. It's a different neighbor. I hope. Oh, Jesus, I sent him the best of luck, my guy. Ben Lawrence says, I'm a teetotaler? What? A teetotaler? Oh my god. All right. C Story says, legit. I was good with mine and heard GG is rocking live tonight to go. Live tonight. Wait. Gamma Goddess is going live? Really? Right, Dogpile was way more better than Google. Yeah, everything. Google's definitely lost it. They definitely lost it. I mean, I can actually give you a. I know we've been ranting about this for a while now, but I can actually give you a demonstration. All right, demonstration. All right, as a graphic designer, right? I'm gonna give you my perspective as a graphic designer. I'm gonna start with Google. All right. So I need to get I don't know. I'm working on a piece. See, it's like a distressed tile or something, or maybe a backsplash, and I need marble. I need marble. Okay, I need marble. What kind of marble I'm looking for? I'm looking for Calcutta. Let's look at Calcutta. Calcutta, whatever the hell you pronounce it. Whatever. Calcutta. Whatever. Calcutta and marble. And I just want some pieces, right? I want some nice pieces. Let's go to. Oh wait, what's this size? Large, medium, or icons? It doesn't help me at all. What the hell is this? I click on things. It's mostly going to send me to shops, you know, all these ridiculous things. I need something that's got at least like maybe 2,000 pixels by 2,000 pixels. Maybe 3,000 would be really nice. Here's a decent one, 3,000 by 1,000. Let's try to get this one. So, okay, at least we got something here. I might be able to use this. I don't know. Now let's try a different platform. All right, I'm gonna use my perfect example, right? Bing, and this is not a very popular opinion. You know, of course, being Microsoft, one of Microsoft's platforms or search engines. But yeah, I do the same thing. Calcutta, Marvel. Let me hit images here. What do we have for filters? Boom, stuff that matters. Image size. I can actually put the exact amount of pixels I need. Exact amount. I want something that's 3,000 by 3,000. There it is. Boom. I got it. This is all that's available on Google or on search history or search engines, whatever. And I don't mess around. I got right here. I got one that's 5,000 by 3,000. Not messing around. Yeah, I can't do that with Google. Why is Google behind on this? So that's one of my big pet peeves with Google. And it's not just Google. I go back and forth with, like I said before, DuckDuckGo. But I do like that they're including certain things, especially when it comes to history. Search filters, you know, with colors and that sort of thing too. Most of them are pretty much up to date with that. I just think that they're not relevant right now when it comes to finding out what you really need in terms of sizes. They're definitely more institutionalized to push you towards products clearly and ad revenue than actually getting to what the consumer's looking for directly. That's kind of my pet peeve with it. But anyway, I'm just going to stop there. I already did enough of a rant. I don't want to take any more of our time. It's not crypto related, while Bitcoin is at a key test of 13,000. Are we going to hit 13,000? It looks like we just got rejected again for the third time. Yes, third time. A little higher though. So it's showing us we got some legs. Producing again, a few higher lows too on the last 12 hours since we did lose this. So this is not bad. This is okay. We might actually break back up above and try to retest 114 maybe tonight. I don't know. They're holding our line really strong there. There's a lot of history here that's going to be hard to break back into before Jackson Hole. All right, we're about ready to lose it too. Okay, so that's where we're at right now with Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Kimba, of course, the White Stone Lion on YouTube, giving you the heat map for free to show us where currently Bitcoin is landing with the order books. I keep clicking on Bloomberg. Here we go. So you can see that what we're looking at here, a little bit of a reversal coming back into retest, probably going to get shot down, and this is exactly where we're at today. Where is there it is. We were just looking at that earlier, and let's zoom on in and see where we're at. So yeah, we're still stuck in the same place. There's even more now at 114,000 to push us back below these levels. They're setting up shop. The bears are in there. There's still more liquidity, or not liquidity. There's more people still wanting to place their bets and buy more Bitcoin underneath 112. So until we get this all bought up and burned through, there's still going to be some people longing Bitcoin to the top from here. And so most of the shorts are liquidated. It would be really nice though if we did fake out the bears, freak them out, shoot up here, get up to at least there, liquidate that all again like we did before, and we just keep resetting. We just keep resetting Bitcoin over and over and over again between 119.5 and 112.5 now. Yeah, that particular range, $7,000 difference in Bitcoin price actually between those two areas. Yeah, so that's where we're at. And will the foreign market open and do that? Right now it's almost 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, so that means it's probably 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock? No, not 1 o'clock. 11 o'clock. It's probably 11 o'clock. So it's still early. They're not in the lunchtime yet. We still got some hours to figure this out for the foreign market open. Again, if I were them, I would be buying up this dip. Again, it's oversold to hell. Like I show you guys every single day, right around 3 p.m. Today, look at that. Boom. They settled this morning at the market close. That might have been an outflow today. No, it's still happened right there. They still bought it. Then we had a pullback after the market close. But that was at 315, 330. Pretty sure they still bought that all up. Okay, so anyway, getting back into the charts, we're going to show you where Bitcoin's going to go tonight. More than likely. And with, what is it now? Like, I shot my accuracy down to probably like 92% now. Damn it. God dang it.
What are you, stupid?
Yes. But I just keep hoping, guys. I keep putting in hope and suggesting to the universe that we're going to get a more bullish outlook. But closest we got was our baseline target today. That was it. We barely touched it. 114,000 one time, and that was it. And it was all pretty much stuck between bear and baseline. Okay, so cleaning this up again. Remember when we were always right? I'm just stubborn now, man. I'm telling you. Jake called it a couple days ago. He's like, "You're gonna say baseline bull, and it's gonna go baseline bear." And I said, "Yes, you're right. It will, absolutely will." But we're oversold. It just makes sense if you look at this at any other time with no other narrative. The chart's screaming oversold, oversold, oversold. This is the fourth leg down now. Oversold. I think it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. It's ridiculous. But we still get it. All right, guys, we're gonna do some Crypto Chaos magic now. Let's get the sticks in place. Let's catch up. I've been ranting now for a while. I gotta catch back up the chat. Or it's 9 p.m. No, it's about almost 10 now, guys. Oh my God, it's almost 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That takes us right about there. It's on the 15-minute right here. I think I'm lined up. No, why am I putting in the 10? I gotta put it in the 9. It's already past 9, but it doesn't matter. It's gotta line up. There we go. And so anyway, guys, if this is the first time you're catching Crypto Chaos Magic, what we do every single night is do some Chaos Magic pertaining to Bitcoin's price action. And we just went through all of the metrics, all the sentiment. You guys know how the feeling of the markets. This is all psychological when it comes down to the grand scheme of things. And yeah, Bitcoin, of course, no less, is just a what do you call it? A driver of the markets, is perfectly in line with psychology and chaos.
Bitcoin's powered by chaos. When Godzilla walks onto the playground, you know, all your models, they're all going to be destroyed.
Thank you, Sailor. Thank you, Sailor. I haven't played many of these clips in a while, Sailor. Okay, so we've got everything lined up. We're going to burn some money. Let's see. Who are the top gainers tonight, guys? Let's see. Let's take a look at the chat. Who is winning? Who is winning? We scroll up here, and we got number 1 coming in with 1,700 XP is Ramona. Yes, numero uno again. Thank you again for playing, Ramona. Thanks again for contributing to the chaos and the channel. Again, guys, it doesn't cost anything to support the channel. Just hit the like and subscribe down below. That's all I ask. That's all I ask. Yeah, this doesn't hurt either as well. I appreciate it, guys. C-Story also coming in. Number 2, Cliff. My man Cliff, coming in with 1,075 XP, sitting at number 2 today. We have Batlander with a close 3 at 1,000 XP, and Jake the Snake, the man, of course, with no hands or snake. Yes, sitting at 400 XP. Honorable mention going out to Fraser. Yes. Spence, my man, coming in with 375 XP, closely following the lead of the snake. Thanks again, guys, for supporting the channel. I really appreciate it, and we're going to burn some money now in place of what was donated. All right, let's see what we can dig up tonight. I'm thinking maybe a 20, maybe a 20 tonight. I don't know if I have anything pulled up. I might have to go digging in the. Yeah, I got a drawer full of money now. I don't mess around. I went to the bank. I got plenty of money now. All right, guys, let's head over there and burn some money to, of course, make a sacrifice to the chaos gods. Right, here we go. Boom. Whoa! Damn! Whoa! Whoa! Okay, okay. Here we go again, guys. At the Shrine of Satoshi, we are going to be doing our ritual. We're back at it. We're back at it. All right. Let's burn some more. More hard-earned money. Oh, jeez. There we go. The first step is, of course, lighting the candle. And we're idolizing, of course, the moon, as always. The moon. We're going to place that on the altar. Preferably without a gun on it. I don't know why my gun's on it. Oh, I did find a sacrificial, yeah. I got a sacrificial little Tonto. We could maybe burn some bennies and stab them, impale them, some dead presidents, or make some more dead presidents more dead. Oh, Jesus. Oh, jeez, guys, I've lost my mind. All right, so what are we going to use tonight, guys? You know what? I realized maybe the reason why we didn't pump was because we didn't actually use any Shugnite. We were talking about this. Gamma and I were talking about this the other day, and I did not put any on the altar last night. So I'm definitely going to put that on there tonight, with, of course, the alongside that pyrite. And how about some rhodonite? I think we need some chaos. Let's go. Let's go some full chaos and throw some rhodonite in there for Jackson Hole tomorrow. And I think with those alone and maybe some clear quartz, that might be all we need. And this one, yeah, this one's pretty powerful. We're going to put that one on the board. All right, so there we go. We got our altar all set up. We are, of course, we've chosen our idol. Of course, the moon. Satoshi is here, smiling as always. And yes, we are going to burn a sacrifice. Let me see what I got. Let's see what we got here. A 20. How about a 20? A $20 bill? I got a secret compartment for all the, yeah, the monies. Oh, jeez, guys. All right, here we go. We're going to burn the sacrifice. Bye-bye, Jackson. For Jackson Hole tomorrow. This is the last therapy session, guys. I hope you have learned a lot. I hope you are ready for tomorrow. And, yeah, it's going to get real, guys. It's going to get real. Let's just let that go. Let that go. And, yeah, we're going to finish them off. And alas, we have completed our ritual. The president is now dead with a stab wound to the head. All right, guys. Thanks again for playing. Let's get back to it. Oh, Crockpeos! Crockpeos, everyone. All right, we're back. That's right. We got the Shugnite on there now. Yes. Oh, selenite. I got some selenite. I got a shit ton of selenite. I could have rolled that on there as well. But I got some clear quartz in there to help it out. I got it, man. Yes. Gamma Gods knows what's up. Yep, we know what's up. Oh no, the aliens. No, Jake, no. Don't do it. Don't do it. No. I'm traumatized, man. I'm traumatized.
Satoshi started a fire in cyberspace. Take your fiat currency and feed the fire.
Yes. All right, we have returned from feeding the fire. Let's see what else you guys are talking about before we plot our destination for Bitcoin. Nebs, you'll get on your turn with XEN runs the hills. What the hell? I don't even have enough mana to use M2 level 2 spells. Oh my god, guys, we should probably. Oh my god, we should play some D&D. Oh my god. Oh Jesus. Yeah, Ben Lawrence says, Ramona, you have enough experience to upgrade to level 12 magic. User. No, Ben. Only two. That's way too endgame, man. Way too endgame. Okay, I have all the XCM points, so now I'll determine when it runs. I'm taking bribes, says Spence. How about tomorrow, Spence? No. I know my little birdie with some XCN that needs it to the moon. Andy? You talking about Andy? Andy's always the guy with all the coins. Did the aliens tell you where to use rhodonite? I'm not gonna comment on that one. Yes, a Shugnite killed Easy E. What a dick, says Spence. Oh jeez. Gimmick says I'm gonna be a crystal Ben with a picture of Gamma Rita in my hand. Oh my gosh. JTS lizard suit, yes. Neb sailor outfit. Oh my no. No! 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 You're not giving Nevs a sailor outfit. I said this before. You're not doing it. He's already had plenty of time in Ramona's skirts. We don't need him running around in a sailor outfit. All right, and then me and as a killer bee, says Ben. You're gonna ruin my waifus forever, Ben. Oh my God. Gamma will be a huge bling. Jesus. Oh, nice. Yes. Yes. Or a Gamma Rita. Remember, she already said before she'd wear a pitcher, right? She'd be a pitcher. Yeah, exactly, Braveheart. Exactly. Mother needs the rollers and a cigarette for Halloween. Oh my God. I mean, I can see it. I can actually see it already, man. Yeah, drinking bling thing. Jeez. Andy can be Scrooge McDuck. Yes, he can. And I'm Popeye with Scrawny Sailor Man. And I guess I'm just going as myself. or Satoshi. I'll just go as Satoshi. Geez, we all wear masks, metaphorically speaking. I just go as the mask from Jim Carrey's Mask. Anyway, or just Loki, man. I'll just go as Loki. I'm Popeye, the Scrawny Sailor Man. Says, I don't think that's how that goes. The Sailor Man. Yes, the Sailor Man. All right, guys, let's get into it. We're going to, of course, plot where Bitcoin's course is going next. A little higher, inkling a little higher, closer to 113,000. Still has not broke 113 yet. All right, will it occur? Let's head back into the order books real quick here. Brought to you by Kim of the White Snow Lion. Yeah, it's still the same old, same old. The bears are starting to move. We are about ready to hit the wall, our head on the wall. The ceiling is really, really close. Really close. Right here, we zoom on in and take a look. There it is. We're getting close. It's a small one. It's a small one. But speed bumps are going to be extra hard tonight because of Jackson Hole tomorrow. All right, so let's get back into it, guys. So I think it's got some steam. It may not happen now, but maybe it comes back up and does a retest. I'm going to get into this. I'm going to do it. Well, I'm of course an instrument of chaos. I have to continue before the magic runs out. All right, guys, let me clean up this chart. On any biases off the board, as I made a very clear indication where we're probably going. Anyway, all right. So let's clean up the board. No biases on the board other than the descending channel that we're stuck in, and of course our current our high and low for the evening are currently range bound between 111.9 and 112.9, basically, where we're hitting right now. We're trying to break out of 13. Really close, guys. And this might be one of those nights I have to sit on here for a while and wait for an outcome. Like last time. This is crazy, because this is what I was talking about before. It's like, I haven't seen, like, I remember being on the edge of my seat in 2021 every night with price action. Like, oh my God, is it going to go here? Is it going to go there? And it would shoot up like crazy, coming down, so volatile. And here, it's not highly volatile, but it seems like almost every other night now in the past 2 weeks, we're ending the live stream on like a crucial point for price action. Like, every night. It's like every other night. And it's still giving me, and I said this last week, it's giving me, and we stayed till almost like 11 o'clock at night Eastern Standard Time last week, waiting for it to do something. Literally, poke Bitcoin, do something. Yeah, I'm getting those vibes. I'm getting the same exact, PTSD from 2021. No sleep zone. And this is just the very, very beginning of that feeling. We just broke 113. Yeah, and I'm waiting for it, guys, and I'm waiting all year for it, and just now I'm starting to feel it. I don't know if you guys feel it. I don't know if you're too new to understand what I'm talking about. But I've been watching these charts for years, and I haven't felt quite like this. And it's just a tiny fleeting feeling of euphoria. It's not quite full euphoria. I'm not losing my mind to stay up all night again like I did in 21. I'm not hanging a TV in my house, every single room in my house like I did before. I even had a hot tub with a TV above it. I'm not doing anywhere near. I think I only have one TV set up in the house. It's right behind me, right here in my whole house. Oh my God. So yeah. It's definitely a different time. Definitely different time, but same feeling. All right, guys. Let's see. Let me catch up with the chat real quick. I'm trying to buy some time now because we're literally stuck at a make or break moment for Bitcoin. If we can hold here at 113 or lose it pretty quick. Okay, let's see what else is going on here. Oh, gee. What? Oh, no. Don't pick on Andy now. He'll get angry and have to swim into his vault of crypto tokens. It's probably a lot safer to swim in a vault of crypto tokens since they're non-tangible versus jumping into all your gold and breaking your neck. Yeah, with 2 cans of spinach, Nebs, what is it? What? Are you having a stroke, Brave? What is going on, Braveheart? Ben Lawrence says, to be honest, I was thinking Nebs has more olive energy. Like, olive oil? What the hell? Oh, my God. I don't know. I guess he kind of does, because he's like really skinny, I guess. I don't know. He's like tall and skinny. That's not just skinny, but tall and skinny. BHM says you can wear a corporate cashier gear. Oh my gosh. Spence, why are you always defending Andy and when he bans you on a daily? Does he really ban you on a daily? He's got the Britain censorship going on, which is odd because he's Irish. He's Scottish. Jake, he's Scottish. He's a Scottish lad. Oh, man. Stockholm Syndrome can be a real bitch. 100% Braveheart. That's exactly what that sounds like. Braveheart gets it. Yes, he does. Spence says he's never banned me for anything. He can't. His conscience would get the better of him. Yeah. He gets on a rant though. He'll remember when he was like really putting his foot down on everyone. He's like, bunch of babies. He's like calling everyone out, saying we should be swinging. We should be swinging every night. Oh my God. I'm just like, oh my God, swinging every night, man. I don't know. I only take a trade when I know I'm gonna win, and so I only do like maybe like 15 trades a year, maybe. 30 total, 15 swings out of all those. 15 of those are probably not ever going to go back into those bags until maybe the bear market. Let's see. Feel it, says Milk Money. Yes. I feel it, man. I do. I really do feel what's happening right now. Man, I'm feeling some kind of way. But we do have a lot of resistance here. We've touched this umpteen amount of times. In the past, on the 15-minute chart. So we could actually get stuck right here at 113, where would be the make it or break it point. Right here, right around 113.3, 113.5. I would say around 113.5, we will know. If we smash through that pretty quick, we're going to break up to 14, at least retest 14. If we don't, we could get knocked down right at 113.5. But we are breaking through 113.1 right now, which is good. Yeah, he's never banned me from anything. I think I already read that. I gotta scroll down more. Baseline bull, call it. Jake, damn you! You're gonna do it to me again. I want to do it so hard, man, but I know it's gonna be wrong. That's the thing. Like every day I've said it. Every day I've known in my hearts of hearts it's gonna go down, but it makes no sense when you look at the chart. It makes no sense. We support it this time, says Jake. I wouldn't. I wouldn't. Andy without me would be like God without Lucifer. Yin to yangs. Oh my gosh. Spencer, are you going to go as a cowboy? What the hell? Oh my God. Ramona coming in with a $5 super chat. She said that she sent Bowling Jacket in the Otaku chat on the Patreon. Nice. Oh, wow. Wow. This is crazy. Oh my God, guys. Look, you guys get a kick out of this. Holy shnikes. That's intense. Oh man, that is total chaos, Ramona. Holy crap. Yeah, so we got our logo in the front. We got Bitcoin on fire, chaos on the seam there in the front with next to the buttons. We got freedom on the back next to McFreedom. Oh my God, McDonald's logo being held by, of course, Eagle and Braveheart looking into the flames. That's insane. That's insane, Ramona. Oh my God. Oh, jeez. I am really interested to see, once we get to 1,000 subs, what kind of chaos we can get into with merchandise. I'm telling you. It's going to be a lot of fun to see. I want to know what something like this would cost. You know, obviously this is a V1, right? This is a prototype. But still, I would love to see what we could do if we make if it isn't too crazy, and we can test the quality. That's my thing. I'm really a big stickler when it comes to quality of clothing too. Jake Snake says 100% would buy that. Oh my god, that's insane, my man. That's insane. That's amazing. I'll take one in the size small, says Guillaume. We are changing the name, gang to the Patriots. What the hell? So no, Ben. Freedom matters, though. I mean, we're fighting for financial freedom every single day. I'd say this all the time. It's very important, very important. The whole idea of financial freedom is so that we don't have to rely on these old, all these old systems and rules anymore. The whole entire fundamental of just carrying around paper dollars backed by nothing, literally backed by nothing. Some people will fight it's backed by the U.S. military and guns and blah, blah, blah. I'm so sick of that narrative, because all the money in the world that we're printing just goes to fund that, and our tax dollars, it doesn't matter anyway. The taxes that are taken away from the American people don't even matter. It's, what is it, like, I forget the last time I looked at it. A few $100 billion maybe, if that. When it comes to the taxes collected, how much money and taxes are collected by the American working class? 2025, 2024. Let's see what that is in 2024 data. In 2024, according to AI, Google's fiscal year, September 30th, 2024, federal government collected approximately $5 trillion in total revenue. In individual income taxes were the largest source of this revenue, accounting for $2.4 trillion. All right, it's a lot more than I thought it was going to be. Payroll taxes, Social Security, Medicare, and federal unemployment insurance contributed another 1.7. Corporate income taxes, $500 billion. Other sources accounted for $253 billion. That's what I thought we only paid. I thought we only paid like, I don't know, $750 billion at most. But yeah, $2.4 trillion. And they print about 6 every 4 years, right? 6 trillion every 4 years? No. 6 every 2 years, I think. That's, let me see, how much money does the U.S. print every year as of 2024? 5.8, 5.7, 6, 6.8. By the notes printed already. How much money did the government print in 2024? 5.5. For some reason, I thought it was 6 billion. 6 trillion, but it doesn't make sense because we're only at 37 trillion. If we printed 6 trillion every single year since COVID, we broke. Was it 20? Something's not mathing. How much? We go over the Wayback Machine. Oh my God, guys! I'm going into my own loophole in my brain now. We go back to the time machine on. World debt, 2020. Going back to 2020, we had 26 trillion. So we printed about 10 trillion in 5 years. So this is what doesn't math for me. It doesn't math for me. It doesn't make sense. I guess we're taking that into account our global GDP, and then taking that against it, and then falling into a deficit from that. So I guess in the grand scheme of things, that's how we get those numbers. But still ridiculous. It's still ridiculous. All right. So yeah, McFreedom's chaos bowling jacket Coming soon. Coming soon. Oh my god, guys. Yeah, we'll definitely come up with some cool designs at some point. I'll get some quotes on some things. Once we get past to 1,000, I'll have a whole bunch of ideas. I already have a whole bunch of ideas for products to offer merchandise on the channel. I mean, I'm talking about all sorts of crazy things from lighters to pens. I need to go from small to large, right? Shirts. And then beyond and beyond and beyond. What else we have here? D's Nuts is awesome. D's Nuts has been good to me this week, says Spence. She feels sorry for me because Ben and Andy pick on me so much. What the hell? Spence, don't drink wine. Whiskey instead. My God. What the hell? I missed a bunch in the chat, guys, when I was on my rant. I carry around silver coins backed by these nuts, says Jake. Do you really carry around a bag of silver coins? Jesus. Oh, man. She's just pushing you back into the fight all bruised up, says Jake. Oh, geez, Ramona. Yes, Ramona. These nuts is awesome. Pour me one while you're at this. I had to take one, too, man. I'm at that point now. Bitcoin's sitting at 113.3. Will it get to 113.5 and break that through? That is going to be the toughest point we're going to have tonight. If we can get through that, there might be hopes for 114, and it's coming in fast. And the only reason why I say 113.5 is because of all this history we have back here, going through all of this, all the way back to the beginning of August. That's where we started. So it's going to be a hard place to break on through. Again, we just lost it. Who the hell is really setting up shop in a huge way there? I don't know. We can take a look at orders, too, if you want to take a look at orders. What was the last place I looked at that? Glassnode? I think I looked at Glassnode. Glassnode, active Bitcoin purchases. Whoa, I almost spilled my water. On-chain market intelligence. Where is it? Is this it here? No. Percent of last supply active. On-chain activity. This is it probably. Pretty sure this is it. No, it is not. Where is the thing? Supply Bitcoin Core on-chain metrics. This has got to be it. No. I want to see the orders. Active addresses. I need to bookmark this so I don't have to Google it again. That's not it either. We're still waiting for Bitcoin to almost there. Can it break 113.5? 113.5. The next target would be, trying to go all the way back up to 116, I guess. That would be amazing. We got to get to at least 114.7 to get to the top of this channel now. The bears are probably going to set up a big area there as a trap. That'd be my guess. As everyone's looking at the same thing in the chart as I drew in the last couple of days. Let's get back in the chat real quick while I'm trying to find this website. I don't know why. I'm pretty sure I got it on Glassnode before. Otaku recommends the lighters be Zippo lighters. Thailand and other cool locations. Yes. I love you, Spence. All in good spirits. Yes. What are we talking about here? I missed something. In all fairness, the mental breakdowns are very creative here. Yes, they are, Bren. They are 100% very creative here. Now where those pesky car keys. Jeez, I lose my keys all the time. D's is pretty awesome. We're talking about the shame away from neural diversity. Or we're taking the shame away from the neural diversity. Not a bag, just a 2 in my wallet, for real. Says Jake. Ben, 100%. I love you, Spence. It's all in good spirits, says Ben Lawrence. Otaku recommends the lighters, of course, from Zippo. Helmo accumulates at 113,000. Now, he demands blood underneath 112, so 111. That's where Helmo wants. Don't you go broke back on me. Jeez. Ben Lawrence. Greatest of all time, says Jake. Thank you. I love Nebs too when he's showered and not coming home from work. Oh my god. You guys back and forth. Spence says that I mentioned I'm one of the top 1,000 XEN point holders. I'm going to try and find an agent tomorrow to handle all of my press. Oh my god. I need a smoke. Neb says I need to smoke. I'm lost in the chat. Me too, man. I'm still trying to catch up. Nebs, embrace it. Embrace the chaos. Embrace it all. Just get lost in the chat. Ben says, I love that you know my order when I walk into the McFreedoms and let me pay with my special money. Yes. Again, we do not take fiat at McFreedoms. No, we do not. Smoke the peace pipe, says Nabs, and slow our roll. 55 conversations, 55 schizos, 155 schizo pills. Yes. It's so crazy, guys. Holy crap, Jake. Holy crap. Shilly. Of course, reminding me to shill harder, guys. We gotta get these likes and subs up. Gotta get the subs up to 1,000 per what? 155 subs, 155 likes, 155. We gotta get to 1,000, guys. We gotta get to 1,000. I'm going on low now too. I did eat today though, so I'm all there. It's just I'm running out of steam waiting for Bitcoin to hit 113.5, and I have a feeling it's going to have some resistance there. That's why I'm waiting patiently for the chaos. We'll see how long my patience lasts. All right, I hate Ben and Andy equally, said Spence. Oh my god, I'll be the last one standing. I love them both, but don't tell anyone. Oh Jesus, yes. 1,000 subs incoming, says Collins. Yes, we're going to get there, guys. We're going to get there. And then we'll be winning.
So much, you may even get tired of winning.
It's been a while since I played that whole thing. We're almost there, guys. Almost there. 113.5 loading right now. $2 away. Looks like we're going to take it. But will we break higher? Let's take a look at the order books real quick and see what's going on with Kimba, because I can't find my other source. Boom. There's bubbles. That's not what I wanted. Oh, jeez. There it is. Yeah, still going strong. Bears are pulling up a little bit, but they're not backed off quite yet. They're not totally out of the picture yet. Down for the count. We are gaining more ground though. Again, the biggest point of resistance is going to be after 114K is where we got this setup right here. Right in there, loading. I believe that actually might be a little higher than that too. 114.75. 114.75. That's where it's at. Boom, right there. Let me get it back on the chart. I'm on the right screen. I can actually draw something on this screen. Jeez. 114. I already have it up there. It's already there. Is that it? No, that's not it. No. I'm talking about the other level. The other level is where we're at now. 114 flat. That's where we're headed. That's where the big resistance had set up at. But this is still kind of bullish at the present moment. It could be a short-lived cup and handle. We could see something like this. Again, if you actually zoom in there too, probably on the 1 minute. Let's take a look here in the 1 minute. Yeah, you can kind of see a little bit of a bullish div in there. We've got, of course, a inverted head and shoulder pattern to the upside, of course, in a cup and handle. Probably going to get some tight resistance in here for a cup and handle pattern like happened, and then a breakout towards 114, and maybe, of course, a lot of resistance and a pullback after that. Again, we got to get out of this channel. And 115K will get us out of this channel now. Again, we needed 116K yesterday. Now we need a little bit lower. I'm just going to do it, guys. I'm just going to do it. All right, get all the biases off the board. Let me undo what I just drew on here, and we're going to call it. Let's just do it. We'll do it live. We'll do it. All right. Of course, now, guys, I'm going to go back into my mantra. I'm going to say CRPYPTO again to get back into full chaos mode. I am now an agent of chaos, instrument of chaos. Yes, an instrument of chaos. And I'm going to show you where Bitcoin is most likely to head tonight via Crypto Chaos magic. All right, here we go, guys. Here we go. All right, 15 minute on the 15 minute, boom. This takes us into our baseline target. Baseline target is going to be, hopefully a retest of this 114. Again, a cup and handle kind of pattern playing out there with a little bit of a problem holding and keeping that in a fall in the aftermarket around 3 a.m. into the morning. Hopefully back to where we were just now. When we started our live stream tonight. That'll be, of course, right before Jackson Hole tomorrow. Again, this continues the same exact pattern we saw before. This continues the downward spiral we've been on, and hopefully PAL can stop the bleeding tomorrow. This, again, just sets us up for that as well. Nothing different. Nothing has changed with that baseline target. Again, just want to make that very clear. We're going to get into our bear case scenario. Bear case scenario is not good. It's not good. Not good. I don't even have it on the board anymore. It's probably back here. There it is. 111K loading. Hopefully not. But you know what I said the last 3 nights. It's probably where we're going. It's probably where we're going. All right. So baseline. Yes. Bear target. Bear case scenario. Bear case scenario. Oh, boy. Bear case scenario. Let me zoom in a little further. We got to get to 9 o'clock in the morning. There we go. See everything on the board. Okay, so we're going to come down here. We're going to try to retest this. Get stuck there in fall. Get rejected right around lunchtime in the foreign markets. Then we're going to probably lose this as well. Back to at least 109 flat, 110. 108 is going to be the make it or break it. So I'm gonna send it. I'm going to full send it actually to 108. Because I still think... is 108 the bottom of this channel too? Oh, not quite, not quite. I could be mean. I'll just do it anyway. Screw it. Again, we're suggesting everything to the universe, guys. Just suggesting things to the universe. Okay, so realistically, it's going to come up here, have some, loss of support. Just try to retain some of this, lose it all, and then take it down to Pound Town. Right around the last line in the sand is like 108.5 probably. We were stuck there for like a whole month. Maybe not a whole month. 2 weeks, I think, straight. We were trying to get our bearings back to 110,000. That's, of course, the history we have at that level. This is going to be our bear case scenario for tonight. Again, I'm not calling for it, right? I'm not calling for exactly that. This is very bearish. Obviously, this is before Jackson Hole. This is still... We had not actually touched the bottom of this channel, except for when we started, for when I drew this. So odds are we're not going to go that low, but we'll have to wait and see. Okay, so yeah, we're going to get back into bull case scenario. Bull case scenario for tonight. I would love to see this happen. Boom, a break up and an out. Breaking out at the perfect time too. Earlier than that, actually. It would happen right here, right around 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Maybe 2 a.m., something like that, going into 3 a.m., breaking on out and rolling on over after the morning open, for the morning opening in America. Because, again, we suck, guys. We always sell off in the morning after the markets close in the foreign markets, and they buy up all the dip. They get all the juicy dip, and we get stuff with nothing. We get chips with no dip. It sucks. All right, so that's our bull, our baseline, and our bear case scenario. We're going to go into bull and super bull and bear case scenarios. Of course, super bear right now sitting at. I want to update this because I'm sure I do have a pretty good slant on this on the macro level, so it does go up over time. I just think that we're a little higher than a 10. Let me double check. Let me see where the fire sale is currently. It's 86,000, I think. Last time I looked. Bringing up the Bitcoin rainbow chart. I don't think I pulled this up today. I think I forgot to bring it up today. Bitcoin rainbow chart is, of course, brought to you by blockchaincenter.net. Reminding you every day to keep hodling. Hodl strong, because we're still early. According to this, we're still in buy zone. We're not even back in the accumulation zones until we break through 115,800 again. That's still loading again. Fire sale right now sitting at 65 and 86. Yeah, so it's still 86,000 for the lowest to enter the highest to enter the fire sale target. Okay, so that's where I thought we were. All right, so again, I think this is still working. Yeah, that's close enough. So again, I set this up to basically follow the fire sale throughout the entire bull run. We're still honoring it. And I still can't believe we're this close to it still in the middle of a bull market. It's not a bull market. It doesn't feel like a bull market. All right, guys. So super bear target, of course, sends us down to the fire sale. That's $86,000 Bitcoin. That is, again, max pain, extreme pain, no lube pain kind of price action. I don't think it's happening anytime soon, unless we get some World War III nonsense. Which is also kind of loading too, with the talks back and forth taking more time than we anticipated for that second meeting to load. All right, guys, so that's our super bear target, and then we're going to get into Super Bull. Super Bull still calling for $130,000 Bitcoin from here. Again, it's not the first time. It would not be the first time this played out. This has played out 3 times this year. I would love to see it happen again. And yeah, $130,000 Bitcoin loading. And why do we know it's loading? Because you can see it in the order books. Even the bears know it's coming. They're setting up shop there. They know. This is, of course, Super Bear and Super Bull. And that takes us into all of the stuff and things is on the board now, guys. On the board. Right. And, of course, I'll be putting this up with a live Crypto Chaos Magic stream after this one. And so everyone can watch exactly where our charts line up. I miss winning. Remember when we used to win? I used to say that. I'm so tired of winning. I haven't won now in like 3 or 4 days straight because I keep suggesting to the universe it should be baseline bull because we're oversold. It should be baseline bull, but it's not. All right, guys. So where are we headed? Of course, tonight I'm still calling for baseline bull. I say screw the naysayers, screw the fudders. I would not be surprised at all if we end up going something like this, baseline bear, and then crawl up here into baseline bull after Jackson Hole nothing burger nonsense tomorrow. I mean, the worst thing that could happen tomorrow, he just kind of shrugs and says, we're going to hold steady. Boom! Ah! People start shooting themselves and jumping out of freaking windows. Oh, my God, guys. It's going to be fun tomorrow. It's going to be fun. But I really do. I feel like it's going to be something like that. I feel like it's going to be a nothing burger. We may not see baseline bull overnight, but we should probably land on it tomorrow, sometime in the afternoon, by 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, after everything's said and done. It is a Friday, though. It is a Friday, low liquidity into Sunday. Sunday would be the day we'd see a bigger breakout, maybe back towards 118, 120. But you never know. Maybe everyone's sold off so much that they're just waiting on the sidelines to get right back on in. I don't know. I'm not sure who's selling anymore. Like, we're here to make money, man, not lose it. Anyway, let's see what we got here. All bang crypto crazy. He's just crazy. Nevs, I've been known to steal a Bic by accident, says Braveheart. You guys stealing each other's lighters now? What is going on? You missed my therapy session, says Sharon. To Sharon, Ben. Sharon's here. How's it going? Sharon, how's it going in the chat? It's been a minute. How you doing? Hope you're doing all right tonight. This is why I'm crazy. Oh, jeez. Yes, the addicts. Oh my God, gamblers and people who hear voices in my head. Your head in therapy. Therapy sessions. Oh my gosh, guys, I am missing all the super chats too. $2 super chat coming in from Jake and Snake. $5 super chat coming in from Ramona. Boom! Jake and Snake says, "Screw the motherfuckers." Yes, the motherfuckers. The mudfudders. Yes, fudders. Pardon my language. Oh my God. Yes, Ramona coming in with a $5 super chat, supporting the channel and the chaos. Thanks again, guys. Thanks again. Thank you, insane people, for helping me stay sane. Isn't that funny how that works? It takes a crazy person to keep someone sane, and that makes sense. There's actually some truth to that, because you got to have a gauge level, right? I'm not quite that crazy, like that crazy. Yeah, when I see Nebs, I know where I stand with that too. Him and I had a chat about that last night. Oh man, my boy. Yeah, you crazy too, man. Like I told you last night, man. The only difference is after this is all done, you might be able to get back in society. I never will be accepted in society. All right. Right. See what else we have here. So Grease Up Nebs, guys, also saying Spence confessed his love for Andy. He did. Right, and I need more than one. And that's the towel for what? You forgot to bring a towel. What's going on? There are groups for that, Ben. Yeah, that's it's not group therapy. That's a cult. Yeah. Call my office. Sharon. I'm off now. Oh my gosh. I got 100 of Bics. Oh geez, you have 100? Jeez. The Towley on South Park days. Don't forget to bring a towel. Yes, this is one of my favorite characters. Don't forget to bring a towel. Are you going to judge me for buying magical beans that you can't see for thousands of dollars, says Ben? You're a cow. Oh god, gang typos. You can use a towel to wipe off the lube. Oh god, the lighter will spark. But in general, lit was just a reference to Talia from South Park. Oh my god. I'm so high right now. Gamma Sharon needs McFreedom's Happy Meal gift. It's just a little bottle of lube. I think you're out. I think he's out right now. I don't think he's got any more. Any more of those adult Happy Meals toys. Oh my god! The adult, I can see it now. The adult Happy Meal toys and McFreedoms are literally just red dildos. Oh my god, you guys are insane. Gamma is beating someone into the gang. Oh my god. What else we have here? Yes, Nebs used them all. Yes, he probably did. Hope everyone is having a great day. Cody is here. How's it going? It's definitely some type of week for everyone and for you. Yes. I'm hoping that you're still off the clock and still enjoying some time off. You definitely deserve it, my man. Gamma Guy says, what did I come back to? I was in the sweatshop making our jackets so we can make money as a family. Jesus. Oh man, you keep forgetting about me in the basement. What am I? I'm still eating these cans of soup. I can only eat so much soup. Oh my god. Cody Bakula. Yes, Bakula. That's probably the funnest name to say on the channel. We missed you. Yes, Otaku, thank you. Yes, of course, Sharon. Of course. Yeah, Cody, every week is a great week to be alive. The orders of the Dazzle jackets must be insane, Cody. Oh my god. Crazy. When bedazzled ring, Cody. Oh my gosh, Jake. Also, functioning my best outside of society. We are a tribe. Yes, we are. We definitely are. This is definitely where everyone comes to get a load off, man. I mean, society right now. Oh my god. Every time I go into town and face the normies, I have no problem fitting in with normies. I'm kind of an extrovert, a secret extrovert. But I like to observe quietly, and then interact and surprise people off guard. That's what I usually do. I'm usually the guy in the corner. People are having a conversation about something. I just intervene and be like, "Did you see the price of this these days?" Oh my god! $3 for a bottle of. Yeah, for a bottle of freaking soda is insane. Okay, $3 for a candy bar now too. Like it's like $2.85 for a freaking candy bar. My God, it was 50 cents when I was a kid. 50 freaking cents. Inflation's only 2%. Oh shit.
U.S. federal government's on an unsustainable fiscal path, and that just means that the debt is growing faster than the economy. We're borrowing from future generations.
One candy bar at a time. All right. 100% sharing so much lube. Vin Diesel, voice family. Jake the Snake, he's turning the pool back on, guys. The wave pool has begun. The lube is flowing again. Oh, God. I thought what? I thought that was the bottle. Jesus. Oh, Sharon, man. Oh, Sharon, you missed it. Yes, last night was insane. We had an intense therapy session for Jackson Hole. Everyone who was in that meeting should never have to feel any pain ever again. There's so much lube everywhere. Everyone was completely covered. It was intense, and yeah, the pool comes back for another round. Oh my god. $3. Thanks again to Neb for supplying the channel with 100 gallons of lube. I don't know what the hell it was. Oh my god.
What are you, stupid?
Oh jeez. I don't know. I don't even remember how that whole thing started again. It was definitely from Nebs. I know that. He's like you guys ever remember? You remember Charlie Brown? Was it Pigpen? Was his name Pigpen? I forget his name. I'm pretty sure that was his name. He always carried around the blanket, and then like the dust cloud followed him. Nebs is like that, but with just lube. Oh my god. Sharon was the bottle. You're on the crew. You passed the lube test. You passed it. Yes, you did. I'm bolt-hearted, says Jake the Snake. Are you? You calling for 130,000 by the weekend? By the weekend? This takes us into Friday night. Oh my god. Oh man, bolt-hearted for sure. I would love to see overreaction on the other direction this time. Again, we've had an overreaction to the downside. I would love to see an overreaction to the upside. This is how these things happen, guys. Again, I say this all the time, but I'm really serious. Like when I draw these down on here and I say it, you know, I say we've never hit a bear, a super bear, but we've hit a super bull. We've hit it. We've watched it 3 times on the channel this year. We've hit it. And how does this happen? Why does this happen? Because these big pullbacks here, these overreactions, oversold levels, when everyone floods back in, that sparks a huge wave to the upside. People get freaking wrecked. And their shorts don't get caught, and they know, or their shorts get caught. They get caught with their pants down. You know the saying. But they also get wrecked because they're either skipped over their stop loss, and yeah, we just go to unprecedented levels so fast. So we haven't had a movement like that since the beginning of the year. Let me go back to the beginning of the year here. This was the last big move we had, and that was in July. In July, this is a 4-hour candle. Let's look at the daily candles. Look at that big giant daily candle. You don't think we're gonna get another one of those again? And that's almost, oh wow, look at that. That's almost parallel to where we are now on the downside, but not on the daily. This is one daily candle. It's like one of the largest candles we've ever had in crypto, or for Bitcoin, not crypto. I mean, the meme coins do dumb things. The biggest candle we've ever had may have been in 2024 when we had the ETF launch. That might have been it. Let me see. 11.34%, an increase of almost $1 million. Is that $1 million? I'm gonna say 11% candle. Let's find a bigger one. There's got to be one bigger than 11%. There's 11%. There's 8%, and we haven't had one like that since the beginning of the year. Let's look at back in, yeah, that's pretty much it. Back in January of this year, wasn't even that explosive either on the daily. These are on the daily candles too. Weeklies are probably bigger, but anyway, dailies, right? Who's to say we can't get another 11% candle to the upside from after Jackson Hole? Jackson Hole takes off here, happens right around here. I'm going to do a Jackson Hole prediction too. Why not? Why not? I'm going to put one on the board for that too. Let's see. It's been a while since I did an FOMC prediction. Or anything quite like that. Jackson Hole's not FOMC though, obviously. Where is tomorrow? Tomorrow is the 22nd. The daily chart looks weird. That's weird. 23rd. Yeah, 22nd. So it should be here. 11% candle would look something like this. Just takes us right back to where we were, and actually pushes us to a new all-time high, $125,000 Bitcoin. It could happen on a Friday. I'm not betting on a Friday though. I'm not betting on a Friday though. If that was a Wednesday, I'd say yeah, sure, for sure. all this oversold nonsense, of course. Okay, so Jackson Hole prediction. Let me do something like that now. I'm gonna stick with basically baseline for this right out the gate. Just say we do baseline, right? We do baseline, and the markets react. I believe he comes out at 10 o'clock. Let me double check this. I believe he comes out at 9:30, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, right as soon as we open our live. Jackson Hole. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I can't. Jackson Hole Summit. What time? Jerome speak. Tomorrow, 10 a.m. So yeah, right on time, right after the market's bell, half hour after the market bell rings. By the time we're going into crypto news, we'll be up there talking. All right, so that would put us right here, right here. So in the past, what's happened, especially with downward, a downward parallel channel, when it comes to PAL speaking in any capacity, what usually happens is, and especially in a crucial moment, I've seen some crazy swings back in 2022, 2023, when he would do his FOMC conferences. But yeah, I've seen usually what happens is something like this. Right as soon as he gets up there, we see a huge dip to the downside, and by the time he's done talking, we see a recovery, and this creates, of course, an inverted head and shoulder. The inverted head and shoulder is, of course, a bullish pattern, and a break up to the upside right around 2 p.m. That's what I'm expecting, something like that. Regardless of what he says, really. I mean, Bitcoin economy. I mean, obviously, it's a risk-on asset, like everything else in crypto. You need liquidity. You need you know, people to be trading and happy and, you know, whatever. But either way, I think it's this probably we're going to get tomorrow. So I'm going to put this in as a Jackson Hole prediction. Let's do pink. Let's do some fun color. Yeah, let's do pink. Or purple. He wears that purple tie, right? Freaking J-Roll. Alright. Alright, this will be Jackson Hole J-Hole prediction for tomorrow morning. 10 a.m. Well, I'm not going to put 10 a.m. because it's going to play out till 2. J-Hole prediction. Where the hell is it? Oh, I named it, but it didn't put the tag on. Oh, yeah, because it's a trend line. I'll just put it on here. Purple. Purple, 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 purple. Bam. J-Hole prediction. And why not? Purple and pink. Why not? All the crazy colors. Boom. That'll get people's attention. I want to put that up tonight with the Crypto Chaos magic. See if it gets a rise out of anyone new, passerbys. All right, guys. So that's what I got for you tonight. I hope you had a good time. Enjoyed all my rants, and I enjoyed all of your guys' rants as well. Holy crap! I got so much more added to the notes now. I got to go through my notes. Holy crap, guys. Oh man, some of the great things that were said tonight. McFreedoms is now offering total tacos. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bowler throwing a strike with flames. Yeah, and of course you guys saw the pictures of some of these mock-up photos for bowling jackets. And of course the gang. Yeah, Chaos Bowling. I would love to get like studded leather jackets, so I love it. I love it. And I just 3D printed a whole bunch of studs for the for the Satoshi, this Shrine of Satoshi. But I would love to get yeah, some of those made. I think as soon as you add studs, it gets so expensive. You could do it yourself. I don't know if I'm not like I'm not a great seamstress. I can sew, but I'm not. Yeah, I'm not a great seamstress or a seamster. I don't know what that would be. All right, guys. What else we had mentioned tonight? Oh, geez, I gotta get into all this other stuff. Oh yeah, thanks again. I think it was it yesterday? McFreedom or Cliff or Bobbin. I always forget who says stuff, man. It all just kind of gets jumbled up. Thanks again for yeah, suggesting that I should put a Bitcoin in my traffic light. I absolutely adore it. Every time I look at it, I just get so giddy. It's green, it's red. No, it's Bitcoin. All right. Thanks again, guys. Thanks again for all you do. I love bouncing ideas back and forth with you. I love every single one of you. I can't do the show without you. And I will see you tomorrow morning. Have a great night. And yeah, Jackson Hole's tomorrow, guys. This was the last therapy session. We survived it. And then yeah, tomorrow we'll forget all about J-Hole tomorrow. Have a great night, guys. I will see you soon. Soon. How soon? Very soon. Very soon.
When will then be now? Soon.
Later.
Fly me to the moon. Let me trade among the stars. Let me see what freedom's like without money and gold bars. In other words, bold night king. Oh! In other words, let's make history. Oh, tomorrow is more coins and let me huddle forevermore and more and more and more and more. I long for all we're talking about. In other words, I choose you. In other words, I love you.
You wear a lizard suit and call yourself a snake. I love it. I love it. Oh, geez, Ben. You guys are a riot. Good night, Otaku. Much love, brother. Yes, you too, Nebs. I love you too, brother. And I do feel like we're all family here. We are all family. We're all just, I don't know. Can you guys just give me something else to eat in the basement besides cans, though? I mean, I'm getting tired of soup. All right, guys. Have a great night. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Again, make this money, fam. I expect results tomorrow, says Gamma. Let's go. I will see you all there, too. Hopefully with some winning.
We're gonna win so much You may even
All right,
get
guys.
tired of winning. You're gonna say, please,
Oh my
please,
gosh.
Who likes winning? Can't take it anymore.
It's been forever since I played that whole clip. I had to play it. Well, not much winning lately. Guys, less than 12 hours. J-Hole will be up there. J-Hole will be up. I will see you then. Have a good one, guys. Adios, muchachos. Peace.
Watch the cash burn, land fade. A new world rises, we've made the trade. The robots are rising, and he's taking the crown. But we're the ones that won't back down.